There. Hello. Hello. I am alive. I think. I don't know. Am I alive? I don't know. Let's see here. Alright. I am alive indeed. Let me test the audio real quick though. Audio is always a little bit iffy sometimes.
Next section. It's gonna be how to use the
Okay,
animator
testing audio,
to make this thing swing.
testing
Right now we have the
audio.
weapon
Can
in our
y'all
hand.
hear me? Okay, testing audio, testing audio. Can y'all? I said yow instead of y'all, but okay. Okay, I'm gonna start the stream. I'm gonna continue game development today. Woohoo! I'm stupid. Let's go. Hopefully, gonna finish this game by the end of the week. I don't know. I hope I do. This is taking a lot longer than I expected. Yeah, alright. I'm just gonna get started.
Swing, so it just stands in
Today
front of
we're
us
gonna
and
work on the swinging system. Yesterday we finished the combat. If you guys want to see the combat, let me show a demonstration of my combat so far. Very simple so far, but I'll show it. Hello there, enemy. Why'd the game just freeze? I don't know why the game just... Okay, that was probably just lag. But yeah, this is my combat so far. This is my very, very simple combat. Hello, Mini1 in chat, the Mini-Man. How's it going, Mini-Man? How's it going, my man? My dudes, I can run around. I can knock him back, you see? And then he can knock me back as well. So far, my character can't die yet, so there's no reason. What do you need to click to attack? For right now, there's no clicking yet, but it's going to be space. Because the thing is, we haven't added a swing animation yet. It looks like you're taking damage. I am taking damage, but I can't die yet, though. Because we haven't added a death screen or anything. I'm assuming we're going to add that later. Character menu, new UI. I'm assuming it's going to be right here. We're going to work on our death and stuff. Polishing and adding content, yeah. Yeah, it looks like you're taking damage, not the enemy. The enemy's the one being knocked back, so I don't know.
the enemy because it's just there. But in the next section, we are going to actually learn how to use the animator in Unity.
We're going to use the animator now.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I will be catching you in the next section.
Yes, we're going to work on the animator now. Oh god, shit. Fucking hell. Gonna skip this stupid ass ad. I don't like ads, man. Ads suck ass.
Welcome to a new section. In this one, we are going to learn more about the animator and also
we're gonna work on the animator this
window
time.
in
We're
Unity.
gonna animate
If
this
it is
thing.
your first time using a keyframe kind of system, you're going to experience something that is quite cool.
I've edited videos before. I know how to use keyframes and stuff. I've used keyframes before.
Something we use in video editing.
Why don't you use ad blocker? Because this is Bing. I have it on Firefox, but not Bing.
Something we use in animation and a bunch of other places. And I think that's going to be quite interesting if you haven't ever used a software like that before, or some kind of system that use keyframes.
Yes, I've used keyframes before. I know how to edit videos. I've used keyframes before. Why are you using Bing? Because I need to use two browsers. One for streaming, and one for the browser, so for the show. And I'm not using fucking Chrome. I'm using Firefox and Bing right now. Firefox for my YouTube and for my YouTube stream setup and stuff, and Bing for the browser.
Ahead, and I'm just
Trust me, I don't want to use Bing either. But my other alternative is Chrome, and Chrome also fucking sucks. So yeah, Bing is my default or whatever for now. But usually I use Firefox. Firefox is like the best search engine or whatever.
just going to put that in my script folder. For some reason, it was out.
What did you do? Put something in the script folder? Did I not do something? Okay, maybe, I don't know. Bing bang boom. Okay.
And we're going to go in the artwork folder. Now,
why don't you use Firefox but split the tabs? Because if I close the browser, it's gonna show my other fucking Firefox window.
under the artwork folder, there's this.
It's just too much work. Let's just use two fucking browsers, man. Stop asking so many random questions, bro. You don't need to know how my setup works. It's very scuffed. It's a very scuffed setup. You don't need to know, man. You don't need to know.
Folder called animation. So
what do you do? What the fuck did he do?
Now, under the artwork folder, there's this folder called animation.
Animation. Well, you should have that folder, right? Yeah, I do. I have that folder.
So what we're going to do today is we're going to create a swing animation for the sword. We're going to be using the animator, and we're also going to be using custom animation that we'll make by hand. So we're going to go under player, then weapon, and we're going to go in add component.
So player, weapon. So this is where we're going to animate the stuff now, so that we can actually have a swinging weapon. Animation or animator?
Add a component type of animator.
Yeah, animator, not animation. Okay, animator. There we go. Animator.
And now we have to create a new animator. So we'll go beneath animation, right click, create. Animator controller, that's the name of it.
Animator controller. I'm assuming we're gonna name that like swing or something. Wait, what's he gonna name his thing first? I need to know it.
And we'll call it weapon.
Alright, he's gonna call it weapon. I keep accidentally opening up Visual Studio, even though I mean to press on Unity. Animator. Animator controller, we can name this weapon. And, don't know what that just did. I'm pretty sure I've used animator before, but the animation on Unity is kind of confusing for me, but we'll figure this out.
Let's go back on weapon, make sure that the controller field over here is our brand new weapon animator.
Alright, so we need to make this complicated mumbo jumbo bullshit. Drag this weapon animator controller onto here. What about the avatar? Why do we have an avatar section here? Are we playing like Avatar, The Last Airbender?
Controller, and then we can start animating this thing. So let's double click on the sword. This is going to zoom in your view, and you'll see it in the scene view. I'll just make sure to make a lot of room for this one. Then I will go under window and find the animation window, or you could hit Control and 6. We now have the animation window somewhere. It is currently on my second screen, but it should actually pop up in yours if you want.
Okay, so this is my animator. Where's my animation screen? What do you press again? I don't remember. What do you press?
You could hit Control and
Control N. No, that's a new Control Shift N maybe? No, that's not it. Where's my animator window? I don't know where. Okay, window, animation. There we go. There's my animation window. It looks kind of different from his, but it'll work for now. It works for now, I suppose. It works for now.
6.
What do you press? I just want he pressed. Yeah, he
and
pressed
find
on
the
Windows.
animation somewhere. It is currently on my second screen, but it should actually pop up in yours if you only have one monitor, and you can actually anchor it somewhere. I put mine just beneath.
Yeah, that's what I did as well. That's what I did as well. It's right here. My animator window is right here. To begin animating Weapon 0, create an animation clip. I'm assuming that's what we're going to create to do.
Okay. So right now, while we have the weapon selected, you're going to see that it's going to ask you, if you don't have the weapon selected, it's going to ask you to create a animator and a animation clip. If you go under weapon, you're going to see that it doesn't ask you to create the animator because we already have one. So weapon is our animator controller. Now we are going to create a animation clip. Let's hit create. Call this one weapon underscore
weapon swing. Okay. Gonna weapon underscore swing here.
swing. Let's hit create. Call this one weapon underscore swing.
Did you put that in his animation folder, or did he put it in his normal folder? Because I put mine in my animation
And
folder.
we're going to drag and drop it in our animation folder.
Okay, that's what I did.
Okay, so that is the very first step. The second step is going to be to keyframe this thing. Now this is where you're going to get creative and create the animation for your sword. Remember, we have a cooldown on our sword where it says we can only swing every half a second. So we had the 0.5 F for the cooldown time, so we can only swing twice a second. So I'll make my animation 30 seconds.
Right.
Now what I will do
30
is
seconds? I think he means 30 milliseconds, not 30 seconds.
actually click on
Because if he's swinging for 30 seconds, that's half a minute.
the recording sign. As soon as you hit the recording sign, whatever you do here, whatever you do in the inspector, is gonna be, as you can tell, put there in the animation window.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the record here. I don't know how that works. Wait, what'd he do? What the fuck did he do?
So you gotta be really careful. Is gonna be, as you can tell, put there in the animation window. So you gotta be really careful what you do once you click on tell.
Okay, so he was just showing what he did. I was like, why did he add all that? But yeah, he was just showing. He was just showing that. Okay. So this is right here. We're gonna go to like 30 milliseconds. I'm assuming this is 30 milliseconds. So we're gonna rotate this to the right. Right is Y, right? You know, X is okay. I think it's this 90 degrees, maybe. No. Hello? What the fuck happened? Rotation? How do we rotate here? It's rotating the wrong way. Is it Z? I think it might be Z. Yeah, okay. It's Z. It's Z. Minus 90 here. So we're gonna create a swing animation here. We're gonna do like negative 120, I think, maybe. And we're gonna swing it here. That looks a little odd for some reason. That looks a little odd. So I'm gonna have to fix this. Why does that look so weird? I don't know. Is there like easy easing here? Maybe if I do this, maybe? Let me erase this keyframe. Yeah, this looks kind of weird for some reason. I don't know why this looks weird. I don't know. That looks a little weird. Can I move the center of this? I don't know. Okay, well, I'll just see what he does. I'll see what he does.
There in the animation window. So you gotta be really careful what you do once you click on that. Let me just revert it. We are currently recording, and I want to make sure that this is the beginning frame. So this is where we start our very first animation. I'm going to be putting a keyframe in here. So let's hit add keyframe.
Oh yeah, add keyframe. That's what we need to do. I've worked with After Effects and Premiere Pro before. Is that the keyframe? Add keyframe. How come I can't add a keyframe here? How do I add a keyframe?
Now I will be putting a keyframe in here. So let's make sure that at the very beginning, we save the position of this thing, we save the scale and the rotation. So we could do add property, transform, and just get them all.
Oh yeah, okay. Add, transform, position, add scale, add rotation, and I'm gonna add the position as well. Perfect. And then we're gonna go to 30 seconds and shit. And we're gonna add a keyframe here for all that. We're gonna move this to negative 120 like earlier. We're gonna move this down here perhaps. Still looks a little weird though. I'm gonna be real. Still looks a little weird. It looks a little weird. I'm gonna be real. For some reason it looks weird. Maybe if I go to 15 and move it out here or something. That looks a little bit weird. I don't know why it looks weird. I've never been, even though I've worked with with animation before, I've never been good at it. Yeah, I think it's because the center of the fucking thing is not like, because like the center of the sword is like up here, not the handle. That's where it's wrong. We're gonna have to fix that. I don't know how to fix that though. Oh, I'm gonna have to add that over again. God damn, I pressed Control Z twice, 2 more times than I was supposed to, and that fucking happened. Can I move this down? I want to be able to move this down. Like the core of the fucking circle. Hello, Jefferson Amaya! Hello, how's it going, man? Welcome to the stream. I'm learning to code today. How's it going, man? Hope you're having a great day. I'm learning to code right now, so, yeah. Not playing a game.
Or what I like to do is just slightly move them. Just like if I was replacing them.
Yep.
Slightly rotate. Then reset the rotation back to 0, and you can also slightly scale. This way, once you modify that, everything is going to be turning red, and these fields would now be keyframe.
Sorry I wasn't in your other streams. It's fine, man. It's fine. It's okay if you don't watch every single one of my streams, you know? I'm just glad to have you here today, bro. Just glad that you're here.
Alright, so now before
I am learning how to make an RPG today. Hopefully you like game development. If not, well, I'm just gonna do a lot of coding and random game development today. And I'm also learning how to do it too. I'm not very good at game development or anything, but I'm learning here.
before we go any further, let's have a look at what exactly is this keyframe system we're talking about. Most, if not all of the keyframe system, they all use three different things. First, you need a timeline. In this case, we have a time in between.
Hello, Enderai999. Welcome to the stream, bro. It's been a while. I'm learning to game develop today. How's it going, man? Hope you're having a good day.
0 and 1 second. Now we could
Yes.
zoom out as
When you make a game, tell me. I'll play it. The game's not very... I'm gonna be real. The game is not very good. This is my game so far. I'll show you. It's very scuffed. This is my first, like, real game I've made. I'm trying to learn. This is more of a learning game, you know? Not like a real... Oh, God, this guy's chasing me. I'm gonna knock him away. The combat is very scuffed so far, as well as you can tell. Very not good. Very not good. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm just learning. This is not like supposed to be a real game or polished, but like I'm just learning. This is like a prototype game, you know?
you can tell, I can go up to 10 seconds. I can go up to as many
Yeah, I'm
seconds
just
as I want, but we'll
prototyping.
actually keep that in between 0 and 0.3 like we said.
Looks
because
good so far, bro. It is not good. This thing is so fucking scuffed, bro. It is scuffed as hell. It is very scuffed. Look at this shit. You see my legs? My legs are going through the box. It is very scuffed. I've had so many errors while doing this. So many, like, bugs and issues. BRB, alright. See ya, Maya. See ya, man.
we
Oh,
have
boy.
a cooldown of 0.5. Now I'll be removing these two. I don't know why they are here, but we're gonna go back to the default
Yes.
settings
Where
where
I'm
we
just
only
following. I'm
have
basically
the-
just, like, following this video and trying to do everything that he's doing, man. I'm basically just copying, bro. I'm basically just
Initial
copying.
keyframe. So first we have the timeline. Second, we have these over here on the left hand side. So these are the properties we're going to change. And now every
Yep,
single one
I
of
already
those
know how to do
properties
the
are going
basics
to
of
have
this.
keyframes. So first, timeline. Second, properties. And then keyframe. In this fairly
Yeah.
simple way, it is going to work like this. So assuming that you have your timeline, you decide that at 0.3 seconds, you want the sword to be looking like this. Well,
Yeah, I know how those work, but the thing is I want to move like the center of my my sword. How do I move the center of the sword? Huh. I know how to animate the fucking sword itself, but I don't know how to like how to move the center of the sword to make it look good. Because when I swing my sword, when I change the rotation, it looks really weird. I'll show you what I mean by it looks really weird. Why can I not move? Why can I not move that? Okay, can I move my sword, bro? Can I move my sword? Okay, thank you. I move my sword down here. And my sword's not moving for some reason. Why are you not moving, bro? Let me fix this. 120. I'm gonna change my sword. See, this is, in theory, this should work. Wait, why is it not working? What? Bro, why the fuck is this not working? It was working like half a second ago, bro. Negative 120. I'm gonna move this down here. Why is my animation not working? Bro, just what the fuck is going on with my animation right now? I tried to make a game once and it hurt my brain. I think I lost brain cells, bro. Trust me, that's me as well. I have spent so fucking long doing this, man. I have spent so fucking long doing this. It has been a nightmare for me. I'm not even good at it either, bro. I'm not even good at this. I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. I don't know what I'm doing half the time, man. I'm just in pain and suffering. Wait, what the fuck did I just... Wait, what? What the fuck did I just do? I don't even know what the fuck I just did. Let me, why can I not rotate this thing properly, bro? What? Okay, this rotation is so confusing, man. This rotation is some of the most confusing fucking rotation system in the world. Yeah, game development is hard, man. It is hard. Why is this not working? Why are you not working, bro? Something went wrong here. What is wrong? Oh, okay, I see what happened now. I didn't click record. I'm such an idiot. I didn't click record and I was wondering why it didn't work. Okay, this is what I mean by the animation looks weird. The sword kind of just like goes inward and then down. That's not what I want. I want to make it so it rotates from the handle. And I don't know how to change the rotational
Since we're using
point.
the record mode right here, it's quite simple. All we have to do is move it while being here. But what's really happening down here is that it creates a new keyframe for every single thing we saw, and it just assigns a value match to a certain time. So at 0.3, the sword has to look like this. Like, no matter what happens, the sword has to look like this.
Yes.
Now, the really cool thing is that they'll do interpolation for us. So in between these 2 points, there's going to be a smooth transition the whole time.
Yes.
So let's actually give it a try. Let's create a real animation. We said to ourselves we only want 0.5 second of animation. So that is it over here, 0.3. What we're going to do is take all of those keyframes. I will hit copy and then paste. So whatever happens in here, it happens. But then once the animation is over, once the animation,
I don't know why my animation looks kind of wonky though. I'm gonna be real. My animation does look kind of wonky. I want to fix that How do I move the rotational point? I don't know. I don't know how to use Unity properly yet. I need to learn how to use Unity, and that's annoying. I don't like learning. I am very stupid. I don't like learning, bruh. I don't like learning. Does anyone here know how to use Unity? I don't think anyone here knows how to use Unity, man. How do I change the rotational point so it actually looks good? My sword goes into my body. I'm literally stabbing myself with my own sword here. Yes, this is me waving my sword around. I don't even know what's happening. Bro, I don't know what's happening either. I'm just watching a tutorial right now. I honestly do not know either, bro. I'm just trying to animate this video right. Why is it still going? Basically, I'm trying to animate a sword swing right now. But the thing is, the sword is going into my body. Because it's rotating from the center and not from the tip of my sword. I mean, the handle of my sword. Bro, if this was Premiere Pro, I would know how to, like, move the core of the fucking... If this was, like, After Effects or something, I would know how to do that. But, like, for this, I don't know how to use Unity properly yet. How the fuck do I move, like, the fucking center of my thing? I don't know. I'll have to watch a video.
Is done. I want the sword to go
Bro,
back.
why am I watching this video on 1x speed? Imagine watching stuff on 1x speed, man. Kind of cringe. Real Chads watch things on 2x speed.
So our animation has to fit within these keyframes. So we'll do everything in here.
Yes.
Now, in video game animation, we want something that is very, very fast. We want something that is extremely responsive. So once you press on the button, you should be able to have the sword fully extended like a matter of few frames. I'm going to go with 0.5 frames. I want to have a full extension of the sword at 0.5. Now, we're currently recording at the moment, so we'll actually just move it in the scene view, and it will be automatically giving us keyframes at the end here. So the full extension could be something like that. I'm just improvising a little bit.
Bro, this animation...
And then it would retract over time. We could actually move this a little bit towards the 10. And here it is. So if we play this, you're going to be seeing the animation. Now I'm going to do a little bit of modification because I'd like the sword to actually hit down here as well. So I'll try and create something that goes a little bit beyond that. So over here. And we'll just try really, really hard to make this look good. So I'll actually move that. Like this could be a lot better. It does look weird though, but the more we work on our animation, the more...
yeah, it looks really fucking weird. I want to know how to change the core of the fucking image, bro. This looks scuffed as hell. This thing looks so fucking scuffed, man. I mean, it does look kind of cool, I will admit. It does look kind of cool. I'm kind of proud of how that looks. Even though it doesn't look that good. It looks kind of shitty, but... kind of proud of it, you know? Kind of proud. I'm gonna move this down here a bit. Yeah, see, I'm swinging my sword. How does it feel to be slapped at, man? I'm gonna slap these guys with my sword. I'm gonna stab them with my giant fucking sword.
But I will be keeping this like that for now. As you can tell, we cover most of the zone in front of us, which is what I wanted in the first place. If you just pop the collider...
okay, how do I change the core of the fucking thing? Unity, change animation core or something. Animation... change sprite center. I don't know how to rotate sprite from rotate from bottom. I don't know how do I do that? I don't know. Unity, change pivot. I don't know what it's called in fucking Unity. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here. You know what? This is good enough for me, I suppose. I suppose this is good enough. I really don't understand this, but okay. I wish this was Unity, or I wish this was like fucking Premiere Pro or something. I'm so used to Premiere, man. Not used to whatever the fuck this is. Oh god, this animation. Is there a way to like change the center or... I mean, I guess I could do this manually. I guess I could fucking do this pixel but frame by frame, but that's kind of annoying. That looks so fucking bad. Okay, I'm just gonna... You know what? I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm just gonna keep it like this, man. I'm gonna keep it like this. Who the fuck cares at this point? You know what? Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it like this. Who cares?
You're going to be able to see which zone it covers.
And why do I have an error down here? Animation mode only called when recording candidate. What does that even mean, man? I don't know what that even means. Does my game still run at least? My game runs, right? Now my sword is just endlessly slashing right now. My sword is just endlessly slashing. Pretty sure that's not how it's supposed to be like, but okay. My sword is just endlessly slashing, okay. Okay, yeah, that's kind of scuffed. That is kind of scuffed with how I want this to look. That looks awful. That actually looks awful, but okay. You know what? I'm not gonna bother. I'm not gonna bother. This is good enough for me.
Okay, so now this is what happens when you swing your sword. This is what happened visually. The cool
Why is his so much faster than mine? Oh, right, because I'm watching the video on 2x speed. I was like, why is his moving so fast? Turns out I was watching the video on 2x speed.
thing about Animator and the animation in Unity is that you can actually add more property that are not really something visual. You can actually add more things that don't have anything to do with visual. Let's actually give this a try. So what we're going to do here is turn on the collider only when we're swinging the sword. So you remember earlier when we were actually just going to the enemy over here and it was automatically hitting him. We're going to disable that. If you want to hit the enemy, you need to have your swing and you need to deal damage to him when you press the spacebar, not when you just walk up to him. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to hit the record button at the very beginning and say, as soon as we're ready to enable the collider, which would be like right at the beginning over here, we're going to make sure you're on record. We're going to talk.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna turn on the recorder. We're gonna turn off the box collider here. And then once we're here, we're gonna turn on the box collider. And then once we're here, we're gonna add keyframe here. We're gonna turn off the box collider here. Perfect. Perfect. This way we can turn on and off box colliders. There we go. That sounds nice. That seems quite nice. Okay. This way, if I walk up to my enemy, they're not going to take damage unless I swing my sword, you know?
Toggle off the box collider and then toggle it on again, which is going to create a keyframe over here. And it also create another keyframe at the beginning. Let's make sure we remove that one. We do not want to have that one at all costs. So at this point, assume that the collider is off. Here, it is going to be forced to be turned back on. Now, once we're done with the full swing, we're actually still while recording, we're going to turn it off. Which means that if it is off here,
okay, so we're gonna remove this. That is on, and this one's going to be off here. This is going to be on and off. On, off, on, off, on, off. Okay.
here is going to be forced to be enabled on that frame. It stays enabled this whole time, and then finally on the last frame, it is going to turn off. Okay, yes, so let's turn off the recording, and let's also turn off the box collider by default. So there is no box collider here at the beginning, but as soon as you click that key.
Okay. They're going to turn off the box collider by default then, and this is going to be turned on. Okay, sounds like pretty default, typical stuff.
Next thing we need to do is to create an idle state. The idle state is going to make sure you're back on the normal settings, the settings you had prior to swinging. And it is just some kind of safe thing to do because, you already go back to the default setting at the end of this animation, but we have to make sure it is actually 100% sure because sometimes you might be canceled in the middle of the animation by some other state we could be calling. So let's create another animation over here. We're going to click on the weapon swing from the animation window.
We're going to create another animation here. Idle state. I'm assuming this is going to be idle state.
Create a weapon idle. And all we'll be doing in this weapon idle is a single frame. Now let's hit record. I'm going to slightly move the weapon and then put it back exactly where it was.
I'm going to add, so this is idle. Add properties. I'm going to add, this is the idle state, so I'm just going to make it default. This is the default animation. This way it doesn't move at all. It does not move. This is the idle state, the idle state.
Rotation, same thing. Or we could go down here, like add rotation, add, scale,
Yeah, that's
and finally there's
faster
one more
for
thing
me.
we enable and disable, the box colliders. Let's make sure we disable that here, and we leave it disabled.
Oh yeah, we disable the box collider. Yeah, that's what we need to do here. Disable the box collider. Oh wait, I turned the animation off. Okay. Box collider. There we go. Very fancy bullshit right there. And then sword swing, basically, I thought I turned the box collider off. Okay. Now it's on, now it's off. Wait, why is it on again? Why is the box collider keep going on? I don't know why my box collider keeps coming back on, even though I turned it off several times already.
Okay, so that should be our idle. As you can tell, we have weapon idle.
Ow,
This
fuck.
is the position.
Oh shit. Hit my leg on my chair. On my fucking table, I mean. Okay, it didn't hurt that much, but I hit it.
Right
That's
here,
not
if you
very
play, you're going to
good.
be seeing it in the game. All these fields that turn blue, including this little checkbox over here, they're all things are going to be affected by animation. If you go back on swing, same thing here. They all turn blue because they're going to be affected by the animation. Now, in the next lesson, we're going to learn how to connect these animation to our code to actually call them once we need them.
Yeah,
Welcome back to
sounds
another lesson.
good.
In this one, we're simply going to learn how to connect our code to the animation we just created in the
Yeah.
last lesson. Now, it is fairly simple. We're going to start by creating a graph in Mechanim. To do that, we need to open up the Mechanim window. There is two ways to do it. You can either go under Window and go under Animator, which is going to open this up, or you can simply
Yep, I have the animator graph right here. I honestly don't understand this, honestly. It looks kind of confusing, I'm gonna be real. But we're gonna figure this out.
double click on your animator, which is weapon right here. So that's our animator controller. At this point, you should be seeing your two animations. Sometimes they do pop up. If you have done your animation in some kind of different fashion, they might not even be there in the first place. If you don't see them, go ahead and right click, create a new state for every single one of these. Right now we only have two, and rename those state using the inspector at the top right. This one would be weapon idle, and we're going to make sure to connect the motion. This is only an animation state. It's not actually going to link to our weapon idle we have down here. So we have to make sure we put the motion weapon idle in here. Now we're going to do the same exact
Weapon idle, so we have that, right? Weapon swing and idle state. That seems good to
thing
me.
for the weapon swing, and also change the motion. From here, you're going to see a pretty easy to understand graphic flow. Entry is as soon as the game starts.
Easy to understand. Okay, I'm not gonna think. This is not really easy to understand. I'm gonna be real.
Happen when the game starts? Well, weapon idle is what happens when the game starts. Now, if this arrow is actually pointing towards swing, like this, make sure you right-click on the proper state, the proper one that should be executed when the game.
Okay, so if I go here and make how do you do that? Make transit. Wait, no, wait. How do you do that? How the fuck did he do that? How? What did he do?
Game start. And you, if this arrow is actually pointing towards swing, like this, make sure you
Okay, so that's what he did. He did that very quickly. Set as layer default. So that way, if it goes, it will automatically go to the idle state.
right-click on the proper state, the proper one that should be executed when the game starts, and you're going to turn this into the default state. Okay, now what happens at this point is that the sword enters this state, and it just gets stuck in here because nothing can get him out. As you can see, there is no arrow pointing out, there is no arrow pointing to anywhere, really. Not even the exit. Now in our code, what we could do is, once your weapon is idle, and only when your weapon is idle, you're allowed to swing, assuming that X condition is met. And we can create those conditions using parameter at the top here. So make sure you go under parameter, and then you have a empty list. We can then create a list. These are all basic variable. You can use variable types, you can use a float, you can use an int, a boolean. In our case, we're going to be using a trigger. Now, this trigger I will be calling it swing, and I'll go
What's
over.
a trigger? I'm assuming that's just what triggers the thingy majiggy or something. Trigger. Swing. Okay.
How to use a trigger in a second. If you would be using a float, it would be fairly simple. You could say if that float is bigger than, say, 0.5, then you do this. Now, this is really useful for, say, speed value. What you can do is keep feeding the speed value to your animator, and then your animator checks if the float value of speed is below 0.5, you can now walk. If the speed value is above 0.5, then you should be running. So the animator in here could be taking care of that logic. Now, there is a boolean as well. It works just like a normal boolean. And finally, there is the trigger. Now, the trigger is something you activate only once, and it's not getting unactivated until it's being consumed. So just like a boolean, you turn it on, but it never goes off until it gets consumed. In this
What do
case,
you mean by it gets consumed? Are we eating it? Why are we consuming the trigger? I don't get it. So it's basically the same as a boolean, but it doesn't turn off unless it gets consumed.
what we're going to do is right-click on weapon idle.
So basically, if I'm assuming consumed means the end of the animation, so it won't turn off until the end of the animation. Then I'm assuming.
And create a transition. Now, just like this, if we were to play this, what's going to happen is you're going to play the weapon idle animation, and automatically, after that one frame, which is just one frame, it is going to go to weapon swing. Let's actually give it a look. Sorry about.
Okay, I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna make this one frame. This is my idle state, right? So I'm gonna make this one frame. Then make transition over here. Oh god, what the fuck is all this? I don't know what all this is, but okay. I'm just gonna ignore that.
That the game actually crashed for some reason, so I'll just have the same exact layout work again. We had something like this, and I've mentioned that if you start a game, you're going to play weapon idle, which is only one frame, and then you'll move on to swing. So let's give this a try. As you can tell, we played idle, and then we're stuck in a loop.
Yeah, okay, let's see here. Let's see if this works or not. Let's see this fancy pantsy shit, if it works or not. Hopefully my game doesn't crash. Yep, that works. Now my sword is swinging like a fancy pantsy. Fancy pantsy, yeah. Fancy pantsy works. I'm running away from the enemy. There we go. I murdered him. I murdered him. Straight up murder. I murdered a man. I committed murder.
With the weapon swing. So we have to make sure we limit that to only when we press on the trigger. Now, it's also important that you need to find a way to escape from the weapon swing, so to exit the weapon swing. So we're going to right-click on weapon swing and put a link back to idle. We're going to have this nice little side.
Yeah, okay. We're gonna create a transition back to my idle state.
By side transition thing going on. So this one is when you're going to weapon swing, and then it just swings, and once you're done, it goes back to weapon idle. If we play this, you'll see that we'll be jumping from weapon idle to swing, and that forever. Now, how do we go and fix this? We have to put a condition on one of these two transition. Of course, we'll want to put the condition on this one over here, because that's the one that goes from idle to swing. And these condition can be found on the right-hand side over here, under condition. We can simply click the plus sign.
Condition. Condition means what again? I don't know. Condition means that it will, if it's swing, then it will swing. I'm assuming that's what the condition is.
And then you can meet as many conditions as you want. In our case, we only have one parameter, so they automatically put it on swing. And if we don't trigger swing, this is what happens. It repeats idle forever and always.
Yep.
Now, we're going to be triggering swing from our code, but right now, let's do it manually by clicking on this over here. Now, there seems to be a problem over here when the animation actually plays for a second time, and that is not because we've created animation, this is not because we have some extra keyframe, it's because of the blending and how the whole animator work together. As you can see, if you click on the transition, you're going to be seeing some settings here with the blending time. Say you completely reduce that to 0%, or 50 in this case.
Okay, what? Let's test this. Let's test this out. So I don't swing. While in the idle state, I will not swing. If I turn on the swing, I swing twice for some reason, though. I don't know why I swing twice.
You're going to be clicking on the transition. You're going to be seeing some settings here with the blending time. Say you completely reduce that to 0%, or 50 in this case. You're going to be seeing that the transition is now fixed.
Oh, what did he do? What the fuck did he just do there? I have no clue what the fuck he just did. What? Okay, let me check what he just did.
And just do that like this. Blending time. Say you completely reduce that to 0%, or 50 in this case.
I have no idea what the hell he just did, but alright. Okay, how's this? How's this? Okay, there we go. Let's see how this works. I don't know what the thing he just did was, but... Okay, now it's working. Now it's working. There we go. There we go. Perfectly fine. Now when it swings, the sword will swing once. Just like that.
The transition is now fixed. We can just do that like this, and it is going to remove all the blending. You could either go and do that. You can also make sure there is no looping by clicking on your animation and turning off the loop time. I'm currently under weapon swing, and I just turned off the loop time. As far as the weapon idle goes, I'd like to leave that on loop, just in case for some reason one of the value of the sword gets corrupted. And it has.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go back to where is it again? Animation. Where's my animation? Swing. This is swing. I'm gonna turn off loop time so it does not loop over and over and over. Because that would be very bad.
Has to put it back on the default location. Alright, now if you want to make sure that you have the same exact animation as I do, you're going to go under the transition in between swing and weapon idle, and you're going to make sure to just collapse this back to 0 and then put it back to, like we just did a second ago. Now, since I've done it here, it doesn't show up anymore, but I just collapse everything here back to 0, so turn it like that, and move this all the way over here, and then it disappears. So we get a result that looks like this. Make sure it is both way. Actually, just one way is fine, but I just made it both way, and it still looks good. And we now have our player moving around, and we still can't swing using the code, but at least the animation is now clean. So this whole state machine in here, even though it is a very, very simple one, it now works, and we're now ready to go implement that in the code, which is a very, very easy task to do, guys. I'm going to go under the search and find my weapon.cs script. We're then going to open up this weapon.cs, and then we'll need to have a reference to the animator controller.
Alright, we need to reference the anime control. Did I just say anime controller? Animator controller. So we're gonna go to the swing button. I'm assuming it's gonna be here. Swing. Or here. It might be down here as well, but it's probably gonna be up here though.
Okay, so if we had at the very top here, we have the swing part for the field, so we're going to create a new private animator controller, or just animator in this case. That's the type in the code.
Am I the only person watching? You probably are, man. People don't like watching game development streams because it's boring, you know?
Animator controller is just an name they give it.
Animation videos, game development videos are not exactly the funnest thing to watch. So you probably are the only person watching, I'm gonna be real. But I'm pretty used to streaming alone, so it doesn't really matter to me that much. Animator. I can't spell animator for some reason because I'm stupid. Anime. Anim. Yeah, I intend after this, after I'm finishing making this RPG game, I'm probably gonna go back to playing video games. Probably gonna play RimWorld after this. RimWorld. Because RimWorld was recommended to me by someone, so I'm probably gonna play RimWorld. Yay! I don't know if it's gonna be fun or not, but I'm gonna play RimWorld after this. Hopefully hopefully I finish this video by the end of the week.
In the inspector, and we're going to make sure to assign it during the start. So we'll say anim is equal to get component type of animator, just like this. And now when we swing,
Wait, what? Where did he do that? Where, what? What the fuck did you just do? Honestly, I'm surprised you're still here as well. Not many people leave, you know?
Anim is equal to get component.
Anim.get component. Anim.get component. Get component.
Type of
Animator. Animator. Yep, there we go. Why is there an error there? Okay,
like
there I need the brackets
swing,
after.
We're going to enable.
I don't know why it's so picky with the stupid brackets under it. It needs the fucking brackets. You watch One Piece? Yes! Yes, I do. Are you a fellow One Piece fan? Are you a One Piece fan, bro? Is the One Piece real? Is the One Piece fucking real, bro? Are you a One Piece fan? Have you seen my latest YouTube video? It's literally a One Piece video. My latest YouTube video is literally a One Piece video, if you haven't realized that yet, but yeah.
That trigger. And the way we do this.
Also, yeah. Have you seen the latest anime? Have you seen the latest episode, bro? Have you seen the latest episode? The latest reveal? Bro, have you seen the reveal? Also, by the way, I am a manga reader, so I already knew the reveal, but damn, it was hype as hell.
By taking our reference, in this case, anim, and we're going to say set.
What kind of game are you making? I'm creating a very scuffed game. I'm trying to make an action RPG. Well, an RPG. It's very scuffed right now. This is like my first ever real game that I'm making, so it's very scuffed. As you can see here, it's very scuffed. I'm being attacked by some dude here. Damn, I'm only episode 652, bro. Read the manga, bro. I'm a manga reader. I can say that the anime is a lot fucking slower. Anime is painful to get through. I'm gonna be real. The pacing in the anime is not very good, to say the least. Not very good, to say the least. The pacing in the anime, whew. Honestly, I don't even know how you watch the anime. I'm a manga reader, so I could, like, the mangas, I do recommend the manga, but if you are enjoying the anime, yeah, go continue ahead, but I'm more of a manga reader. You should add some Easter eggs off camera. I don't even know if I'm going to release this game or not. This is just more of a, like, a learning stream, you know? I'm trying to learn here. This is more of a learning stream. Like, I'm trying to learn and stuff. Like, I'm not, as you can tell, I'm a dumb slime VTuber. I'm not actually very good at development. I'm just learning. I'm following this video. I'm learning. I might release the game if people actually want me to. You want to play that? If you guys really want me to, then, I mean, I suppose, but, like, I could. I'll release on itch or something if you guys really want. I guess I will. But okay, it's not going to be very good. It's literally just following a tutorial. Literally just me following a tutorial right now.
Trigger. And it's going to take either the
anim.set trigger here, okay. Oh no, I guess I'll release it if you guys really want me to. Set trigger, was it? Set trigger. I don't even know why you guys want to play this. Like, it's not even that good. It's literally just a fucking... It's literally just me using assets. Literally just me using assets.
ID, an int, or the name of the trigger. In our case, we called it swing. Now,
swing. Anim.set trigger swing. So what does that script do? Do you have Discord? I do, but unfortunately, I'm not adding anyone. I apologize. But I am not adding people. My Discord account is private right now. Anyways, how does this work? I have animator anim, and so I get a component of animator, and I set the trigger to swing. How do I get the component though? Is that like something I have to drag and drop in or? Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I would just continue watching the video, man. I would just continue
Now,
watching
note that you
the
can do this for
video.
set float, set boolean, set int. You have every parameters we saw. You can also get those to see what is the state in the animator. But this is how you transfer values to the actual animator. So now what happens when we actually call swing after pressing on spacebar? It is going to do the same exact operation as we've done manually. So it's going to go here and click on the button. But it'll, of course, it will do it in the code, not manually through the window. Let's give this a try. We're just walking around. We're going to press on spacebar.
Yeah, but how does he get the component? I don't get this code. How does he get the component? So, he's put the variable here. Wait, where is it again? Alright, right here. So this is animator. So, oh, is he just getting the animator component that's attached to the script? To attach to the object, I mean. Is that it? Or is he using it from the name? I'm assuming it's the... Yeah, I'm just gonna assume stuff. I'm not very good at this, but I'm just going to assume. I'm pressing space, and this is not working. Oh yeah, it did work. It's delayed though, I'm gonna be real. It is delayed. It is delayed. It is very delayed, okay.
And we didn't even see it because it got consumed instantly, and that's because there is no exit time. Assuming we did try, we're just walking around. We're going to press on spacebar. And we didn't even see it because it got consumed instantly.
Okay, so there is a delay. Will it be moddable? What do you mean, will it be moddable? What, the game? This game I'm making? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I am very new to this shit, bro. I do not know how to do game
That's
development.
because there is no exit time. Assuming we did have exit time, you're going to see it for a slight second here. As you can tell, it does pop up. And then once the weapon.idle animation is completed and the whole blending is done, then it does consume it. But like we said, we do not want an exit time. And we want something to be extremely fast.
Exit time. Something's wrong here. Something is wrong with my code. Has exit time. I'm gonna need to make my idle state like 1 frame or something. Idle state. How many frames is this? Why is the idle frame so long? Well, I don't know why it's so long. Okay, let me do this. Has exit time? No. Let me make the speed like super fast. That way I can always swing it, so that way I can swing immediately. Bro, look at this idle state. Bro, it is like moving at fucking light speed, bro. It is moving at light speed. Oh god, ow. Ow, ow. I'm being bullied. I'm actually being bullied by my own enemy. By my own fucking enemy that I put in the game. Bro, I don't know. Okay, my idle state is going fucking crazy right now. Ow, shit, fuck. It knocked me away. Ow, Jesus Christ. Ow. Ow. God damn. Okay, I got 10 EXP there. Okay, let's see here.
And we can now go here and actually hit this guy. Nice, so we just completed the very, very little section about the animator and the animation window. And now we have this animation of our little guy swinging his sword in front of him. And if you guys realize, we also made sure...
Okay, I'm gonna set this back to 1 because I don't know why let me see here. Let me see here. Okay, so once I remove the exit time, it still works. Okay, I just needed to remove the exit time. Okay, that seems to work fine. This seems to work fine. Now I have a swinging sword. I will be real. The swinging animation doesn't look very good. I'm gonna be real. But, it's the best I could do for now. It's the best I could do.
Sure to turn off the collider of the weapon. So right now, we have no box collider on this thing, so if we just walk here, we get pushed away and the enemy suffers no damage. So it's gonna be up to us to press on spacebar to make sure.
Yeah. Let me just see if this works. Yep, the enemy is attacking me. Oh god, I'm trapped in a corner. Help, I don't want to be trapped. The enemy is so fucking fast for some reason. Man, it is fast. It is so fast. Holy crap. And this is my second area. My second area right here. This area is very empty. It's literally just a long ass hallway. This area is literally just a long hallway. Look at this. I don't know why I made the hallway so long. Now I should turn this into a horror game. I should make this a horror game. I should make it super dark, and I should add like scary ghosts and stuff. That would be cool, you know? That would be very cool. I could make this like a very scary horror game. Ooh, I'm gonna scare you. Ooh, I'm gonna scare you. Ooh. I'm gonna scare you. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, I'm gonna scare you. Yeah, I'm not very good with spooky stuff. I am a very big coward.
Sure, we can actually kill this enemy. And he might need some slower movement speed, but thus far, we do have a working combat mechanic, and it is quite cool. Alright guys, I will be catching you in the next section, where we're going to start laying down a menu. So some kind of UI is going to let us upgrade the weapon, going to let us see how much pesos we have, going to let us see what is our current character skin, and how also to change it. So I'll be catching you guys in the next.
Brilliant helps you see math in a new way.
Shut the fuck
the
up,
Pythagor-
you stupid ass ad. I don't want to see a stupid dumbass ad here. Jesus Christ, I'm here to learn, not to get advertisement, bro.
Back to another section. In this one, we are going to start linking things together using a nice little menu that we'll be making using a new canvas system in Unity. It's not really that new, it was introduced in 4.6. The reason I like to say that it's new is because you're going to be seeing some legacy UI objects around sometimes, so you gotta make sure you don't use them. Okay, so we're going to start off by creating a new canvas. We already have one canvas that is taking care of floating text, but for optimization purpose, we'd like to have something else for what we're about to do. I will be explaining in the future why you like to have two canvases differently and why it matters in terms of optimization. At the moment, all we need to know is how to create a new canvas. So we're going to right-click in the hierarchy, create a new UI, and canvas. Let's make sure we rename that one for something like the pause UI, or let's find a better name for that. So just call it menu. There we go.
Okay, so we're gonna create another canvas. Canvas. Create. Wait, no, that's an empty object. I meant to create a canvas. UI and canvas. I name this menu. What would that be, young sir? Here is a menu.
So let's go beneath menu and make sure we set all of these components properly. The first one being canvas. This one is already set properly. It's going to be screen space overlay. The second one is going to be the canvas scaler. This one, we want to make sure it's scaled with screen size.
Scale with screen size. Okay. Menu. Scale with screen size. What does that even mean? I don't know.
Just in case you ever decide to scale up your game. Make sure you put the exact same resolution as what you're developing in. Currently, we're developing in 800 by 600, so by default, these are fine for me. Okay, once this is completed, we are going to create one big button that is going to be acting as a background. So I'm going to right-click on menu, UI, button. Now this button, I will be using it to actually exit the menu. So once we pop our menu, it's going to be there. There's going to be a big black...
Oh, wait, we need to create a big black what? I paused the video right before he was going to say a big black what. I don't know what he was going to say. A big black what? What is he going to say there? I don't know. But I'm very curious to know. What? He created a button, right?
Background with transparency. And if you click on that background, it's simply going to go back to the game. So this is some kind of way to say, if you click away from the menu, you're going to be sent back in the game. And we're going to call it background exit. Now, I'm going to...
Background exit. What does that even mean? I do not know, but I do not care. Background exit. Yeah, okay, that's the same thing that he named his. And how is my menu looking? My menu... Why is my menu so fucking big? Why the fuck is my menu, like, massive and gargantuan?
remove the source image, or just right. This way we can only have like a normal color. As you can see right now, it is white. I'm also going to remove the text component. Then I will be making sure it takes the whole screen.
Excuse me. You did a sneezy there. Just ignore that.
By going at the top left over here in the right transform.
Wait, what the fuck did he just do? Wait, what the fuck did he just do, man?
Whole screen by going at the top left over here in the right transform and making sure it scales on both axes. I'm also going to hold shift so we have a different thing at the top, normal color. As you can see right now, it is white. I'm also going to remove the text component. Then I will be making sure it takes the whole screen by going at the top left over here in the right transform.
Okay, don't know what he just did, but okay. I'm gonna remove the text component from that. Text. Removing the text component.
And making sure it scales on both axes. I'm also going to hold shift so we have a different pivot point. Now if you have a look at your right transform again, you're going to be putting everything back on.
Wait, what did you do?
Axis. I'm also going to hold shift so we have a different pivot point. Now if you
hold the shift so we have a different pivot point. Oh! 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 So if you hold shift, you can move the pivot point. That was what I was trying to do earlier. That is a game changer, bruv. Can I remove the pivot point? Can I move the pivot point, please? I can't move the pivot point. Is it too late because I've already done the animation? Are you kidding me? I just wanted to move the pivot point. Oh my god, bruv. Okay, that sucks. I don't know. Maybe I'll figure it out. Maybe, I don't know. I'll figure it out someday. Just not, that day is just not now, you know. Oh shit, what the fuck did I just do? Okay, let me continue the video. We're working on the UI now. The UI section is the longest section, I think. Aside from the ending section, the UI is the very long
you have a look at the rect transform again, you're going to be putting everything back on 0, and this is going to just take the shape of the whole screen of your whole canvas actually. And we're gonna have that
0, 0, 0? What? 0, 0, 0, 0. Wait, what? What did he do? What the fuck did he do? Scale? What the fuck did he do? I do not know what he just did, man. What the hell did he do there?
kind of result again, you're going to be putting everything back on 0 axis. I'm also going to hold shift, so we have a different pivot point. Now if you have a look at the rect transform again, you're going to be putting everything back on 0, and this is going to just take the shape of the whole screen of your whole canvas.
You put everything on 0. 0, 0, zeros. I did 0, 0, and for some reason I just removed everything. I don't think this is right, man. I don't think that this is right. What did he do? What the fuck did he do?
Now if you have a look at the rect transform, and making sure it scales on both axes, I'm also going to hold shift, so we have
What? Zero, zero, zeros. I don't know how that worked. What the fuck just happened? I don't know. You know what? I'm just gonna let that
now, if you have a
work.
look at the rect transform again, you're going to be putting everything back on 0, and this is going to just take the shape of the whole screen of your whole canvas actually, and we're gonna have that kind of result. So this background is gonna be over the whole screen. Now to actually make it transparent, we're going to change the color on their image. So let's put that on black, and in terms of alpha, maybe put it on something like 50 or 150, something that's going to be hiding the background, but
Black. Okay, I'm gonna make it big and black. Wait a second. What?
not completely. And then this will be our new
Wait, so color and then big and black. I love things that are big and black. Color, black, and we can do half transparency. There we go. Half transparency there.
button to exit as well. As you can tell, we do have the button component. We're going to leave it here for now. Next up, we can start adding the main piece of our UI, so some kind of container that's going to have every single information we want to put in here. I'll be right-clicking in menu again, create a new panel, and this panel will make it something that is anchored in the center and has some fixed values. In terms of width, I'm going to be using something
What
like
do you do?
550
What the
panel,
fuck did you
and this
do?
panel will for UI, so some kind of container that's going to have every single information we want to put in here. I'll be right-clicking in menu again, create a new panel, and this panel
And create a panel
make it something that is
inside
anchored.
of a panel. Okay, why are we having so much panels? Is this panelception? Like a fucking panel inside of a panel. Where is UI panel? Right there.
in the center and has some fixed values. In terms of width, I'm going to be using something like 550, and height, let's put that on, say, something like
550 and
300.
30.
I'm also going to give it a
550 and 300. Okay, that seems like pretty decent values. Wait, what did you do 550 and width and height? 550. What? I'm so confused. What the fuck did he just do? Huh? Huh? Huh?
In terms of width, clicking in menu again, create a new panel, and this panel will make it something that is anchored in the center and has some fixed values.
Oh, we're gonna
In
center.
terms of width, I'm going to be using something
We're gonna center in the circle. I mean, what? I don't know what I just said. But we're gonna center in the middle. UI canvas. Gonna center this thing in the center. 550. 300. Why is this canvas? Oh wait, no, it's not canvas. I just create a panel, not a canvas. I'm such an idiot. Panel. That's what I meant to do. Panel. 550. 300. Okay. Seems fair
like
enough.
550, and height, let's put that on, say, something like 300.
300.
I'm also going to give it a full black color with no alpha, so I can have a solid
No
background.
alpha. So solid black. I think that are big solid black. I do like that indeed. Okay, I'm gonna turn this all the way back up so it's solid black.
And that is going to be our container. So I'll just rename this container.
Container. I'm gonna rename this container. Container. Perfect. We're gonna continue on the video here.
Alright, so now at that point, we just have to be creative. We have 3 or 4 things we have to fit in here. First one is the equipment, so what type of weapon are you using? Second up is the character selection, so just a your sprite, your character sprite, and then a way to change it, going either left or right. Third one would be character information, so how much health you have, what is your level, and how much festive you have. And then finally, and I'll put that at the bottom of everything, I'll just put an experience bar. So I'll go ahead and I'll lay down what I just said. So I create a new UI panel, And the first one could be the equipment. So
Are we creating another? Why do we have so much panels inside panels, man? Jeez, we're creating like panelception. Panels inside panels. Slime, I need you to play RimWorld. I know, I have it downloaded. I'll play it after I finish this, bro. I'll finish it. You want me to show you what I've done so far? I can show you what I've done so far in this game. You want to see what I've done? It's not much, but it's something, man. It is something. I promise you, after I'm done this, I will play RimWorld just for you. Just for you, I will play RimWorld. It's not even a game that I wanted to play, but you know what? Just for you. But let me show you what I've done so far. So there's my character. I can swing a sword! I can swing a sword, man! I can swing a sword! Look at this! And I can get attacked, and I can attack the enemy. And the enemy can die as well. Although I am kind of just being attacked here, but there we go. I killed an enemy! Yay! That's what I've done so far. Woohoo! Yeah, that's what I've done so far. Very little progress in the fucking 4 streams that I've done. You have 144p. Are you on your phone or something? Why are you on your phone, bro? Why are you on your phone? I don't know why you have 144p. You should be on like 1920. Wait, is it 1960? 1920? What is it? It's 1080. It's 1080. Isn't that 1920 by 1080? It's 1920 by 1080. Your characters is 5 pixels high. Okay, bro. Bro, I'm zooming in here. You can see this character, right? I can't go. Why not? Is it me or is it you? Because on my stream, I can definitely raise it higher. Crappy internet. Okay, so it's a you problem, not a me problem. It's an ish you, not an ish me then. Alright, good to know. Good to know, bro. Good to know. But yeah, I've made some progress. Some. Very minimal progress. But progress is still progress, nonetheless. Yeah. So I'm probably, hopefully, finishing this game by, this video by the end of the week. Ideally, you know, ideally.
So, put that on fixed size, something that would be 200 and 300 in height. I'll make sure to anchor it.
So this is another panel. I have to make another panel inside this container. So yeah, I am making progress, bro. I am making progress. I hope you are proud of me, father. You know, like, I don't know, bro. I hope you are proud of me, bro. I am making progress here.
It is on the very left side like this, and also hold shift, so my anchor point is also on the left side. And I have this very first section over here.
200 by 300. Now put this over here. 200 by 300. By the way, I gotta question you. What is it, Mr. TNTO? What is thou's question? What is thou's question? Yes, I'm proud. Hello, proud. I'm Slime. But yes, what's your question, bro? On the mouth. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I never said that. I never said that, man. I never said that. So what's your question, bro? You said you had a question. Why are you getting sidetracked, bro? Why are you getting sidetracked? Which part of the body is the I don't know, bro. The head, maybe? I think the head. Totally nothing down there. It's obviously the head, bro. Obviously the head. Not the head or something.
This panel, I will be calling it character.
Is that the animation, bro? Hello there, Mini-Man. What do you mean, is that the animation?
Equipment. And I'll duplicate it.
Character equipment.
The next one is going to be the character selection. This one might be a little bit smaller. Let's make that 150. And I will just be putting it in the middle with an anchor in the middle. So holding shift.
Okay, we're creating the UI now. We're on the UI. It has to be something from the torso. I don't know. Maybe the belly button? I don't know. The midriff? I don't know. I don't know, man. Maybe, maybe, does your stream have delay? I don't know, bro. Maybe. I don't know. Are you on delay? I need to copy that. This is character equipment. Character equipment. Equipment. This is, yeah, like a minute. Ain't no way it's a minute, bro. There ain't no way. I'm pretty sure it's not delayed by a whole ass minute. Maybe it's you, man. Maybe it's you. Maybe refresh the stream. Ain't no way it's delayed for about a minute. It should have like about a 5-second delay at most, but ain't no way it's a whole fucking minute. Ain't no way. Bullshit, man. That's bullshit. What is this again? What panel is this?
Middle, not holding shift, and then putting the value back on 0. So we have something like this going on.
Middle. Put this in the middle. Middle.
Now let's name this one.
This is 150 by 300. 150 by 300. Wait, what? I'm so confused. Why is this not in the center? Oh, Lamau, I didn't put it on live. What are you talking about, bro?
Character selection. And I'm going to duplicate equipment once more, call this one character information, and just change the anchor side from left to right. This way we have something like this going on, so we have...
I am so confused. What the hell did he just do? I'll put that to 0. I'll put that 150. I am so confused at what he just did. Live chat, I see.
Call this one character information.
I don't like how it's automatically on filtered mode. I don't know why it
The
does
next one's
that.
going to be character selection. This one might be a little bit smaller. Let's make that 150. And I will just be putting it in the middle with an anchor in the middle.
150.
So holding shift, clicking in the middle.
150, okay. I'll have to try that again. 150, put this in the middle. 0. 150. Me neither. Top chat is mental illness. Yeah, I don't know why YouTube makes it automatically fucking top chat. It's so dumb. They should make it automatically like unfiltered. And like if we want the filter, we can put the filter on.
Not holding shift and then putting the value back on 0. So we have something like this going on. Now let's name this one character selection.
Character selection. Top chat is a mental illness, yes. Sure, bro, sure. Whatever you say, TNTO man. I called you Mini Man for a sec. Called you Mini Man. I don't know why I keep mistaking you and Mini for some reason. Two complete opposites. Yeah, I keep messing up the names of you two. Keep calling you Mini and keep calling Mini TNTO.
And I'm going to duplicate equipment once more, call this one character information, and just change the anchor side from left.
Okay, OMG, no, TNTO, no. Did you know there's actually an anime about a dick that turned into an anime girl? That's an actual thing, by the way. There is an actual anime, or about a manga or something, about a dick that turned into an anime girl. I can actually show it on screen if you want me to. Pretty sure it's not safe for work. And I think it's a manga. I think it was. I don't know if it has an anime or not, but I actually, don't ask me why, but I actually read the manga. My penis turned out to be an anime girl or something. I forgot what it's called. Oh yeah, I know the manga. Yeah, you do. It was weird. It was like something about a high school dude or something. I don't know. And then turned out to be a cute anime girl. I don't know. It's weird. And then apparently his balls also turned into an anime girl as well. I don't know. It's very, but I don't know if they made an anime. I don't think they made an anime. I don't know. I meant manga. It is weird. It's weird. It's quite weird. His okay, this is you know what? I'm gonna show it on screen because I don't think it's NSFW. I do not think it is NSFW. So I think I can show this on stream. I don't know why I'm showing this on stream, but it is. This is not NSF. By the way, this is not NSFW. It is not. This is just a very normal, family-friendly, wholesome video. Very wholesome manga. Yes. Very wholesome. Very, very wholesome. I don't know why. I don't know what the fuck is going on here. It was actually surprisingly wholesome and surprisingly very weird. Yeah. Yeah, I really don't know what to say about that. Is it gay to love your own penis? Is it gay to find your dick cute? I don't know. That's the moral life questions that the manga tackles, you know? Very philosophical stuff. Very philosophical questions that it asks. But yeah, that's a thing, apparently. Very weird. There's a word for that. Character information. Let me think. I'll let you think, bro. I'll let you think.
Left to right. This one we have something like this going on, so we have 3 sections. On the left side, we'll be putting the weapon. In the middle, the characters.
I don't know what that means. I don't even know what that means. It sounds like you're sexually attracted to cars. Or automobiles or something. I don't know.
And on the right-hand side, some more information such as how much health you have, what is your level, and how much pesos. And finally, there's going to be one more thing. It's going to be the experience bar. Now, the experience bar, I will be creating a panel again. Call it experience bar. And I'll actually be playing around with, I'm not quite sure here. Let's actually do something like 550.
Experience bar. Okay, we're gonna create an experience bar here. He created a new panel, I think he did.
So the whole size of this solid experience bar. Finally, there's gonna be one more thing. It's gonna be the experience bar. Now the experience bar, I will be creating a panel again.
Another panel. If you're attracted to yourself, I mean, isn't that what's it called? What's it called if you're attracted to yourself? I know there is another word for it. Like, I don't remember what it's called though. It was like, what's it called if you're attracted to yourself? Yeah, I guess it is autosexual. I could have sworn it was another word though. I might have been wrong. I feel like there was another word for that, but might have been wrong though. Might have been wrong. I need to create another panel here. I need to create another panel. This is literally just panelception. I'm creating panels inside of panels inside of panels. This is experience bar. Yes, I love going to the experience bar.
Call it the experience bar. And I'll actually be playing around with, I'm not quite sure here. Let's actually do something like 550, so the whole size of this, and about 50 in height. And I'll be putting it at the bottom.
Putting this at the bottom. Bottom. Gonna put this to the bottom. Oh, what is that? 550 and 50 height. What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? I do not know. I am very confused at what just happened. The editor of the VR Fox. What? What the fuck does that even mean, TNTO? What does that even mean? Who is the VR Fox boy? What are you even talking about? I don't even know what you are even talking about, man.
Now, sure here. Let's actually do something like 550, so the whole size. Call it the experience bar.
You know what?
And I'll actually be playing around with, I'm not quite sure here. Let's actually do something like 5.
Should I search that up, or is that like a YouTuber, or what? I really don't know, man. Is that a YouTuber? He interviews people in VR chat. Okay, let me search that up. I'm gonna search that up. Is it NSFW? I'm pretty sure that it probably doesn't sound NSFW. Probably, if it's on YouTube, it's probably not NSFW. Let me search that up. VR Foxy Boy or Fox Boy. What the fuck are you watching, bro? What are you actually watching? What is this shit? I literally don't even see a video by VR Fox Boy. You know what? I don't care. You know what? You know what? I'm not gonna bother this. I am not going to bother. This does not interest me. I am not gonna be doing this. I am not gonna search that up. I'm just gonna go back to game development. You know, just gonna go back to game development. You know, this is what I do. Game development. This is what I do. Game development. Yay! How very fun.
550, so the whole. Call it the experience bar. And I'll actually be playing around with, I'm not quite sure here. Let's actually do something like 550, so the whole size of this, and about 50 in height.
Azyal. I almost never watched him. That's clearly not true considering you just watched him. And something about, autosexual? I don't know.
And I'll be putting it at the bottom over here. Now, what we could do is give it a full background with, say, some kind of purple color like this.
Purple color. 2 months ago. I don't know, man. I don't know. You are kind of a strange man, I'll say. You're a very strange man. You're one strange fellow. 2 months ago is the video I watched. I see.
Full alpha, and on top of it
Full alpha.
is going to be another bar with a brighter color. So we're pretty much done with the skeleton.
So we're gonna create this EXP bar. Oh jeez, Jesus Christ, what am I doing? I am strange. Yes, you are quite the odd one. You are quite the oddball, I'll say. You are quite the oddball. What? Full alpha Lamat? What are you even talking about? Oh, you're talking about the video. He meant full transparency. I don't know what this alpha he's talking about is, but he meant full transparency. Not, whatever the fuck you thought he said.
Of our menu. In the next lesson, we are going to actually create some kind of animation around this so we can pop the menu and also hide the menu when we want. Welcome back to another lesson. In the last one...
Yes, we're creating a UI. I'm surprised you're still here. Why are you still... I thought you hate watching me be stupid. I'm still being stupid right now. You knew that, right? I'm still game development. It will be a while before I play RimWorld.
We created our skeleton for the menu. In this one, we're going to create some kind of animation, so when the menu is on, you see this, and when it's off, you just don't see it anymore.
Yeah,
Now,
so
to that,
you
we're
need
going
to
to
create
create
some
some
kind
shapes. First,
of
we'll be using is
code.
a button on the screen. So we'll have to
Yeah, I'm gonna start coding soon. We're getting to the coding part, so you might see me be stupid for a bit.
in another canvas, create a button. Once you actually click on that button,
Yeah.
you can then see the menu. And then once you actually want to get rid of the menu, all you have to do is click on another button to turn it off. In this case, it's going to be the big, black, transparent box around the menu.
Yeah,
Okay,
I love things that are big and black.
Right into it. It should be fairly simple. The first thing I'm going to do before anything else is to head over to the atlas and just grab myself a button. Now, there ain't much in this atlas that can be used as a button for UI, so what I decided to do is just grab this one chest that I haven't been using and turn that into a button. So
What?
again, making sure it's
Why
16
would
per
you
16.
turn a chest into a button?
I'm gonna call this
What?
menu.
What? Why the fuck would you do that? Turning a fucking chest into a... I've literally never heard anyone do that
Underscore
before, but
zero.
okay.
hit apply. And
I mean, I guess.
so again, making sure it's 16 per 16. I'm gonna call this menu underscore 0.
Menu underscore... I don't know why you turned that into a button, but... Of all things you could have turned to a button, you turned a chest. I mean, I guess that worked. I mean, I'm not gonna fucking complain or anything, but... Really? A chest? What do you mean... Bro, you don't need to know, Minnie. You don't need to know. Stop asking way too many questions. You're asking way too many questions, bro. I don't know either. No, fucking turn it into a button. That's what he means. Turn it into a fucking button. I guess we're gonna turn this chest into a button. I mean, I'm not gonna complain or anything, I suppose.
Hit apply. And then I will be creating a new canvas once more. And this is like I mentioned in the past. This is for
I love chesses. I do too, TNTO. That is something we share in common. I love
Organization purpose. I'm
chesses.
with
You
you,
know,
canvas.
big chesses full of the big loot. Men chest, women. You know, that's not the kind of chest I was talking about. I was clearly talking about treasure chest. You know, treasure chest. Totally full of loot and booty. Because, you know, that's what pirates say. You know, pirates like, "Arr, let's get that booty." I know that. You know, that's what pirates say. You know, and I'm a pirate fan because, as you can tell, I love One Piece.
I'll call this one HUD for heads up display. And
HUD.
will be a button
Wait, what the fuck did he do? I wasn't paying attention. I was talking about booty for a sec.
menu underscore 0. Hit apply. And then I will be creating a
I love booty. Yes, as a fellow pirate fan, I also love booty. Booty and chesses. Chesses and booty, yes.
new canvas once more. And this is like I mentioned in the past. This is for optimization purpose. I'm going to create a new canvas.
UI and canvas. Why is adding more canvases actually better for optimization? I don't know. I do not know, but I'm not gonna fucking my mind blanked out for a second again. I forgot what I was gonna say. I'm dumb. Okay. I'm just gonna keep moving on. Just pretend nothing just happened.
I'll call this one HUD for heads up display.
Oh, it's HUD. What does HUD even stand for? Heads up display? Is that what he's just said? HUD? Is that what HUD stands for? I didn't even know that. I actually never knew what HUD stood for. HUD.
And will be a button
Hubba, bruh.
at the very bottom left.
Create a button. Create UI button. Okay, I'm assuming we're gonna move the text from that. We're gonna remove the text.
Left of the screen. So I'll be anchoring this bottom left, also holding shift. And let's make that something only 16 per 16 at the moment. And we'll just scale it up to see how good it can look in the game. I'll be removing the text component and I'll be changing the sprite to our menu underscore 0. Alright, here it is. Let's actually move the position X to something maybe like 10. So we'll have an offset of 10 pixel in X and also 10 in Y. Now in terms of scale,
16 by 16 then. Huh. That's to the left. Okay, we're gonna have to do this then. Okay. We're gonna move the text. We're gonna put this over to the left. We're gonna do image. What did he do? I forgot what he just did.
let's actually move the position X to something maybe like 10. So we'll have an offset of 10 pixel in X, menu underscore 0. Alright, here it is. Let's actually move the position X to some component and I'll be
Menu underscore 0. Asset. Artwork. Atlas. Button. Where is Atlas underscore or menu? I don't know where my menu is. Where did I put my menu? Right here. I still don't know why it's a chest though. I'm gonna be real. I don't know why it's a chest. But you know what? I'm not gonna question it. I'm not gonna question it, man. I'm not gonna question it whatsoever. 0.16 was it? 0.16? 16. 16 by 16, was it? I guess it's 16 by 16. I don't know why it's so small, though. It's so fucking small. It is so small. How cute. It is so small. I mean, it's kind of big compared to the entire map, but it is what it is, I suppose. It is what it is. Hello, Ella Zeffe. Welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. I finished the combat for the game. That's what she said, bro. The duality of man. TNTO, that's what he said. No, JFA, that's what she said. Yes. Yes. The two, the opposites. The very opposites, you know? Opposites. You want to see my combat? My combat is very scuffed so far. But I do have a combat if you want to see it. If I can actually find the right HUD to turn off, that is. This is my combat. Let me, I can't press the right button. So, my very scuffed combat. Look at this. Very scuffed combat. I can move. Wait, let me, zoom in a bit here. This is my guy. He can move around. If I press space, voila, his sword swings. I know, very impressive. All it took was 4 streams, 4.5 streams to be able to move, create a combat system. Wow. So very impressive. And I can attack my enemy. Oh, God, I got, ow, ow. 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 There we go. I killed it. Yeah! So impressive. All it took was like, how many hours? That was like 15 hours. All it took was 15 hours and many mistakes. After 15 hours, I finally create a working code for combat. All while following a video tutorial the whole time. I did not even make it myself. I literally just watched a tutorial. But you know what? It works. If it works, it works. It just works, you know, like Todd Howard once said, if it works, it just works.
Menu_0. Alright, here it is. Let's actually move the position.
And I'm working on the UI now, so I'm working on like fucking the menu screen and like health bars and stuff. This is the UI stuff. UI.
Something maybe like 10, so we'll have an offset of 10 pixel in X and also 10 in Y. Now in terms of scale, let's actually try something like 64 by 64.
64 by 64. Okay, that sounds better.
If we go around and we play a game with this, I think this menu is quite good looking. It just stands.
Yeah, 64 by 64. Okay. Wow. I mean, I don't know if it's that impressive, but I guess. I mean, I'm not really impressed because that's not very much of an achievement, but I guess it's pretty impressive, I suppose. I guess for someone as dumb as me, having a combat system is pretty impressive.
Here, and if we press on it, it's going to open up the menu. So I'm going to be leaving it like that, and we'll make sure to actually connect this action to the opening of the menu. Now, what I will be doing this time is a little bit different from what we're used to do. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to hook up the button over here, the button action. We'll be hooking it up directly to the animator. So this way we actually skip one step, and that step was to create a public function in any script really and reference the button to go on that function. Instead, we're going to be manually changing or manually activating a trigger directly in some kind of animator. Now, we don't actually have that animator just yet, so we'll have to go under menu, and right here at the top level, so on the menu, I will be adding a animator. Just like
I'm gonna add an animator for this as well. I'm gonna add a fancy pantsy fucking animator. Menu, animator, fancy pantsy.
We've done earlier, we're going to right click on animation, create an animation controller, and that is going to be the menu by itself.
Alright, we're gonna create a menu animation, and we'll create a menu here. Create animation controller menu. And then we're gonna add this to the menu. Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. Menu right here. There we go. There we go. I'm a genius.
Like that. Then I will be clicking on menu, assigning that to the controller. And then we'll be creating some animation around that menu. So when it's off, we have a certain state, and when it's on, we have another state. Okay, now we have our animator. As you can tell, if we open it, it looks like this. What we're missing is, of course, the states. So we're gonna need.
Yeah, we're actually gonna have to animate this and shit, you know. Animation, woohoo! How confusing! I don't like animating. Yeah. All right, we're gonna create some animations here. Create some animation for the menu. I don't remember how to do this, honestly. I do not remember how to do this. Assuming we're just gonna create I'm gonna create, what's this called? It'll be menu, I suppose.
Some state, and those state needs to be based off animation. So we need to create animation. Let's click on our menu, open up the animation window, and we'll be just dragging it in here, and we'll start creating those animations.
Yeah, we're gonna create an animation here.
Menu_hidden.
Menu hidden, and that'll be menu unhidden or something. Menu hidden. And this, when menu is hidden, we're just gonna create everything to like 0 here. I'll go now. Shoos. Bye, TNTO. Shoos. See ya, man. Hope you have a good day, TNTO, bro. Hope you have a good day. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. What the fuck? What the fuck? How do I control the transparency of this?
And I'll just put it in the folder.
LJ Faye, have fun enjoying the dumb I'm not a femboy, bro. I'm not a femboy. The Germans, yes, TNTO is a German, in case you didn't know that. 1, I am dumb, but 2, I am not a femboy. Just saying, I am not a femboy. Don't believe him. Don't believe TNTO. That man is sus.
The second one I'll be creating is, of course, menu showing.
Menu showing. Menu showing. We're gonna create another one called menu showing. Yes, you are. No, I am not, bro. I am not. Why you? What? No, no. Don't believe the German. Do not believe him. Do not believe the TNTO man. Trusting him is the worst thing you could have done. You are making a big mistake, LJ Faye. You are making a very big mistake. Trust me. You are making a big mistake. Almost as big as my wheat. What? Anyways,
Now,
you are
showing is pretty
making
much
a
this thing you see
very
right here on
big
screen, so that would be pretty
mistake.
much
You are making a very, very big mistake by trusting him. I'm not.
Our state wants the menu showing. So all we have to do at this point is simply go here and start recording. Make sure you have your menu selected.
Yeah.
So we want to be saving the container position. When it's not showing, it's going to be somewhere, say, here at the top. When it is showing, we want it to be on 0 position Y. So I'll just be moving.
Hey, yo, well, I don't know what you're talking about, man. I don't know what's so sus. I'm just saying you're making a big mistake. What's so weird with what are you doing?
Around, as you can tell now, the position is 0 and Y.
I don't know what you're
Something
doing.
else I'd like to animate is also the alpha of the background over here. So what I'll be doing,
I don't know. Why are you ayoing me? Why the fuck are you ayoing me, man? Why are you ayoing me?
let's turn off the recording. I'm going to go 0 and Y at the top. When it is showing, we want it to be on 0 position Y. So I'll just be moving around. As you can tell now, the position is 0 and Y. Something else I'd like to animate is also the alpha of the background over here. So what I'll be doing now, and start recording right here on the screen. So that
Yeah, I'm just gonna do this real quick.
now menu showing is pretty much this state we see right here on the screen. So that would be pretty much
Menu.
our state once the menu is showing. So all we have to do at this point is simply go here and start recording. Make sure you have your menu selected. So we want to be saving the container position. When it's not showing, it's going to be somewhere, say, here at the top. When it is showing, we want it to be on 0 position Y. So I'll just be moving it around, as you can tell.
Alright, so we're gonna show the container. Container showing. 1. And we're gonna move this back to 0. There we go. Damn it, I won't be able to watch the stream today. That's fine, Generic Ball. This is basically just me being dumb again. It's fine if you aren't able to watch the stream, man. Also, hope you're having a good day, bro. Hope you are having a good day. I don't know why you guys are sad that you guys won't be able to watch me. Like, is it that fun to watch me in suffering? Like, is it that fun watching me be dumb for like 3 hours straight? Is that like fun for you guys? Like, I'm literally just being dumb here. I'm just
Now, the
coding.
position
Adios, chat. Have a good day, Generic Bald. Have a good road trip. Since I'll be in a car for like 10 hours, have a good road trip, bro. Hope you have fun with wherever you're going. I don't know where you're going. Hopefully you're going on a vacation or something, or a holiday. Hopefully.
is 0 and Y. Something else I'd like to animate
Anchored
is
position.
also the alpha of the background over here. So what I'll be doing, let's turn off the recording. I'm going to go back on menu, add a canvas group. And canvas group is something that's going to allow
Oh, fuck that. Well, what'd he do? What did that man just do? I'm so confused with what this man just
let's turn off
did.
the
Okay,
recording. I'm going to go back to Y, here at the top. Selected.
Okay.
So we want to be saving the container position. When it's not showing, it's going to be somewhere, say, here at the top. When it is showing, we want it to be on 0 position Y. So I'll just be moving it around. As you can tell now, the position is 0 and Y.
Okay, 0. I guess that works. I mean, I guess that works.
Something else I'd like to animate is also the alpha of the background over here. So what I'll be doing,
So we're going back to the group. Canva group, was it? Yeah, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. That is what I am going to do. I'm gonna put that to 0. I'm gonna put that back to 1.
let's turn off the recording. I'm going to go back on menu, add a canvas group.
Yeah,
A canvas group is something that's going to allow you to modify the alpha, as you can tell, and also modify the interactability, and also if it blocks raycast or not. So we're going to go back in the menu showing, click on record, and when it's showing, we are going to modify the alpha, make sure it is on 1, and also modify interactable. Even though we want it to be interactable, we have to toggle it off and then on again, so it shows up down here, and it's actually being considered
Okay, so we're gonna toggle this on and off. There we go.
a part of the animation. Okay, now we're gonna go back, turn off the recording, and then go on hidden.
We're gonna go over to hidden now. We're gonna go over to hidden. Menu hidden. I'm assuming when it's hidden, we're gonna put the alpha to 0 or put this interactable. Oh wait, whoops. Whoops. Gonna turn this on. Gonna put this to 0. Gonna turn off my interactive and block physics. Wait, no, raycast. What? What is this raycast bullshit?
Once it is hidden, let's put that on recording. We're going to make sure that the canvas group has an alpha of 0, so we don't actually see anything. We're also going to make sure that it is not interactable and the block raycast is not on. So you can actually press this button down here. If you didn't turn that off, you would not be able to press the button because technically you would still be pressing on the background exit. Okay, and what else? We're also going to need, and for the sake of this, I'll be putting that back on 1, but we're also going to need to animate this container and put it somewhere, say 400 or 450. Okay, let's go back.
I'll put that to 450, huh? I'm gonna put this up for now. I'm gonna put this to 450. Container 450. There we go. It should be right above. Yeah, it is. It's right above. It is right above. I'll put this back down to 0. That way the menu will smoothly turn back on. So this is menu hidden.
Back here, put that on 0. And these are the difference in between hidden and showing.
Alright,
They are quite
sounds
easy to
good.
see now. The animation in between them, the blending in between them is going to be happening in between the states of mechanism. So in between these states over here. And we're not really able to play anything right now to see how it's going to look like. So we'll just have to implement it and then tweak it if we need to. Okay, so we have our menu hidden and our menu showing.
Alright, we're gonna go back to the animator. Menu hidden and wait, what? Why could I not move this around properly? What is going on here? Wait, what? What? Okay, this, shit. The fucking controls are really weird for this. I don't know why. I don't know why this is so weird, but okay. How come I can't move this? What? I can't fucking, I can't, what? That is so dumb. Okay, you know what? Fuck off. Fuck off, bro. Fuck off.
When the game starts, we of course want this to be on menu hidden, so you don't want to be seeing the menu as soon as the game starts.
Yeah.
And then what I'll be doing is I will be creating transition from hidden to showing and
Make transition from hidden to showing, you know, basic stuff. This is just the basic stuff, you know, very simple basic stuff.
showing.
But I'm
this hidden.
still struggling.
We will now
with it,
need
you know?
some conditions. And those conditions could be based off a single boolean, it could be based off trigger. I like to do triggers, so I'll be using triggers. One of them is going to be called show, and the other one's going to be called
I'm gonna create a trigger called show. I like to trigger people. That's why I'm creating a trigger parameter. Trigger called show. Show. I'm gonna put on a show for people, you know, because I'm a clown.
Hide. Now we'll
Trigger, show, and hide. Alright, hide. Hide. Yeah, excuse me. Jeez, sneezed. I fucking sneezed. I'm about to blow up my eyeballs when I sneeze.
go from hidden to showing only if the trigger show is there, and from
Show. Let me go. Let me go to show. Clown, yes. I have, you know, my VTuber model is not working very well, but I do have a clown outfit. Where is it? As you can tell, it doesn't really work on stream because of my green screen. But, it doesn't work because of my stupid green screen, but, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, also I have slime emotes as well. Give me a sec here. Give me a sec here. Yes, I have a slime emote. Yes, a clown. That's the proper clown there. It's a fucking clown. It's a clown. Yes. I'm a clown. People who have phobias of clowns would be very scared of me. Because I'm literally the biggest clown in existence. I'm not even a clown. I'm the entire circus, bro. I'm literally the entire circus. Anyways, I'm going to do this. I'm going to move over to show. I'm going to move this over to hide. There we go. Ah, yes. Be very afraid of me. Wait, there's a phobia. There's an actual phobia for clowns, right? Clown phobia. Fear of clown. Yeah, it's just called cauldrophobia. Cauldrophobia. Those who have cauldrophobia would be very, very scared of me. They would piss their fucking pants. Anybody who watches my streams that's cauldrophobia will instantly be pissing their pants with how much of a fucking clown I am, bro. Just instantly
Only
fear.
your height is there. Okay.
Just I instill fear into children, man. I instill fear into them. I am very scary with my clown behavior. Cauldron phobia. Yeah, I'm also very scared of cauldrons as well. Very, very scared of those things.
Now, all we have to do at this point is really just make sure we can hook this with our buttons, and we should now be good to go. So let's give this a try by going under background exit, and there should be your button. Under background exit, you're going to link.
Background exit. We're gonna link the buttons. This will make things a lot more simpler then, huh? Background exit. Button on click. We're gonna make this cauldron phobia. Yes. On click. What is on click? What does this change when on click?
Menu, which is the container of your animator, and you'll find the animator, which is right here.
Okay, we're gonna put a container in here. Where's animator? I don't see animator. What the fuck? Where's animator? Oh, animator's right there. Okay. Wait, what? What do you do?
We'll do a set trigger string.
Menu. Okay, it was menu, not a. Wait, what? I'm so confused. I'm so dumb. What did I do here? Background exit. It's right here, right? No, it's right here. Okay, I'm gonna put menu in here. Then I'm gonna put animator. We're gonna put set trigger. What? I'm so dumb. What did I do? What did he do? I'm so dumb. My brain just blanked out.
And you're going to say that is the hide trigger. So you're gonna try and
Animator set trigger. Hide. Animator set trigger. Set trigger. Where's my set trigger button? Hide. Will this work? Will this work? I don't know if that would work. That's capitalized hide. Okay, that should in theory work.
call directly this thing to happen through a button and not through a public function. And then we have the other button, which is under HUD, and that's the menu button, which I forgot to rename.
HUD, which is menu button. I forgot to rename that as well, but okay. Menu button. Yes, we're gonna name this the button. We're gonna get this to work. Hopefully this will work first try. If it doesn't work first try, I'm gonna fucking slap myself the chest. Button. We're gonna do this. We're gonna take the menu here. We're gonna go to set trigger. Where's set trigger? Right here. And we're gonna put the show. In theory, if everything goes right, this will work. Question is, am I smart enough to not make a mistake? Because my literal life is a mistake. Okay. Oh! It fucking works! Would you look at that? It works. Bro, I'm a fucking genius. I am an actual living genius. I don't think there's anybody in this world smarter than I am. I literally think that I'm the smartest man on earth. I'm legitimately just the smartest man on earth. I'm actually the smartest man on earth, man. Like, bro. You think you're smarter than me? You think Albert Einstein was smart as me, bro? Nah. Look at me. Look at this genius here. Look at this genius. Ah, yes. Look at this genius, man. I'm a fucking genius. I'm an actual genius. Bro. It was all so simple. Bro, it looks so good too. It looks so good. Bro, I'm literally orgasming here over like a fucking UI system. I'm literally just so proud of this, even though it's so simple. And I literally just followed a YouTube tutorial, but, you know, I'm still glad. I'm still happy here.
So let's go back on menu, take its animator, and do a set trigger. This time.
Yeah.
Alright, so if we play this right now.
Why do you keep taking pictures of me? Do I have to call the police on you? Why you keep taking pictures of me, bro? I don't appreciate you taking pictures of me. Stop taking pictures of me. And with that being said, I think I'm going to take a little bit of a break here, Anyways, stay hydrated, people. Drink water. Do not be thirsty. Alright? Being thirsty is not very good. So stay hydrated, people, alright? Stay hydrated, people. Drink water. And maybe grab a snack as well while you're at it. And I'll be back in a sec. Woo! I am back. I am back with a bowl of chips. I now have a bowl of veggie chips. Veggie chips are very tasty, but also very unhealthy. But I like them, so I will eat these veggie chips as I now am going to continue learning how to game development.
We're gonna have this kind of behavior going on. So at the beginning, it isn't hidden. If you press on this button, the menu comes down, and if we press anywhere at this point, it should go back up. And that's really it for our menu. So we just did the animator of that menu. We can still move in the background. That's fine by me. If we did not want to move, we could also set the time scale to 0. But in this case, I think I'm pretty happy with the result of this. Now there is one last thing that I don't really like, and sometimes you can tell there is some kind of slight delay when I click. I have to wait. And that can be simply fixed by removing the exit time. So let's go under the transition and remove the has exit time on both of these. Now we can go ahead and play this, have instant responses. So when we click, it shows up. When we click wait, it goes away. And that is it for the menu animation. In the next few lesson, we're going to fill in those blank squares so we can have some good data in there. Alright, I'll be catching you there. Welcome back to another lesson.
We're on to
In this
the
one,
next
we will
part
start filling
then.
in this menu skeleton we had in the previous episode. We're going to start by opening it up, and under menu, we'll start with the character equipment. So this one, I want it to be quite simple. I just want to be able to display the current sprite of the weapon, and then a number below it with a button. And if you click that number, you spend X amount of peso, and you upgrade your weapon. So quite simple stuff. Of course, if you want more information, you can always decorate that as much as you want. Mine's gonna be quite simple. I'll be going under UI, and I will be putting a simple image like this.
Alright, we're gonna put an image then. Simple UI and a simple image. We're gonna display our current weapon. And then we can upgrade our weapon as well. Alright, image right here. I'm assuming we're gonna put our sword, image of our sword in there.
Now that image, we could give it a dimension of say 100 by 150. That would be like the background where the sword lies. And I could actually say, yeah, it's gonna be in the center position 50.
50. What do you do for back there? 150. 150. There we go. That sounds good.
Like, and of course those values, something you could definitely just modify on your own. I'm like, it doesn't matter what kind of value you put in here. Whatever is going to look good for you is what matters. This one's gonna be called the weapon container, and beneath it, I will have a
weapon container. There's a lot of container items in the game, which is weird, but whatever.
Another UI, another image this time, and that image is gonna be my weapon sprite. So in this case, I will be fine.
Gonna create another weapon. UI. Image. I'm gonna put our image in here. Wait, what? Why do you
Finding the very first weapon we have. I'll make sure to actually set the native size as well, and it's gonna be my weapon sprite. It's gonna be called the weapon container, and beneath it, I will have another UI, another image this time, and that image is gonna be my weapon sprite. So in this
weapon sprite. Weapon sprite. I spelled weapon wrong. What an idiot. What an idiot. Hey, there we go.
this case, I will be finding the very first weapon we have. I'll make sure to actually set the native size as well, and then I'll scale up from there. So like
set native size. Okay. So we could do like 100 or like 50 by 150. I guess that
have
works.
the proper aspect ratio, and then I'll just scale this up if we need to, and obviously in this case we need to maybe go for something that is 5 times bigger than what we had, and this will fill the whole container, so maybe a little bit smaller. 4, 4, and 4. Okay. So we have
Wait, what do you do? What was this scale?
what we had, and this will fill the whole container, so maybe a little bit smaller. 4, 4, and 4.
Negative 444. Scale is 444. Okay. Set native size. Okay, so 4, 4, and 4. Okay.
4. Okay. So we have the weapon container. We have the image needed. I'll just call this one weapons, right? And
Weapon sprite. Seems very good. Good enough.
let's also create a button. So UI button, and we will call it upgrade.
Okay, we're gonna create an upgrade button as well. So that's when we can earn enough money to upgrade our weapon. Hello, Sebi! Welcome to the stream! How you doing, man? I am still doing this. I am still game developing here. Hope you're having a good day, man. If you want to join in and watch me be stupid and stuff, feel free. I'm working on a UI now for my game. I'm working on a UI. I finished the combat for my game. I'm also eating I'm eating some veggie chips as well.
Button. And I just realized I started putting space in between. Let's not.
Yeah, just some stuff happening here. Upgrade. Upgrade. How do I spell upgrade? Yeah, I'm so dumb. I forgot I spelled upgrade for a sec. Okay, gotta set this to black. Why is the button not showing up? I don't know. Why is the text not showing up?
And we need it. I'll just call this one weapons, right? And let's also create a button.
Will you publish it anywhere if you finish it? Do people want me to publish it? I don't know why people want me to publish it. If you guys want to, I might. But it's not a very good game. It's not a very good game, I'll say. I mean, I'll show you what I've done so far. Let me show you what I've done. I'll show you guys what I've done. I would play it. I mean, it's not that good. I literally just watched a YouTube tutorial. You see this? I have a sword. I can swing the sword here. You guys can see the sword swinging? That's what I can do. I can swing a sword. And I can go around. I can fight this weird thing, and I killed it. See, I got experience. And now I can open a UI. That's literally what I've done so far. But yeah. Yeah, that's basically what I've done so far. If you guys want me to upload it, I will. I'm not against it. But like, it's not very good at all.
Button. So UI button, and we will call it upgrade. But
Why is my text not showing up? I don't know why my text is not showing up. I guess I'll import. Okay, there we go. I gave up on my game. You already gave up in your game? Oh man, that's sad. But I guess it is what it is. I guess it is what it is, bro. Maybe someday you'll come back to the game and give it another try, you know? Maybe.
then I just realized I start putting space.
Okay, upgrade button. We're gonna call that upgrade button. Upgrade button. Maybe you should come back to your game someday. Why'd you give up? Was it too hard or not enough dedication? Like, why'd you give up? Just curious.
In between. Let's not do that because we have not been doing that since the beginning. I'll just go ahead and correct this. Okay.
I'm gonna remove the spaces in my thing like he told me to.
Would button be everything? I'll make sure to anchor that below. The size of this thing could be, well, actually, I'd like this to be the same exact size as the background. So weapon container, I want this to fit the weapon container at all time on the x-axis. So I'll go back in here, make sure I click on stretch horizontally, and then I'll just put everything on 0. As far as the
What the fuck did he just do? This? I don't know what he did, honestly. The models for the jump scare are pretty expensive, and I spent the money on cigarettes. Bro, you should try making a game like without any like money or anything. Like you should like there are a lot of free assets. I'm sure that you could have used. Like, I'm sure you could find some free assets, you know? I'm sure you could have found some
on the
free
x-axis. So I'll go
assets
back in
somewhere.
here, make sure I click on stretch horizontally.
Because like if it's a money
And then I'll just put
issue,
everything
then
on
I'm
0.
sure that
as far as the height
there
goes,
are lots of free assets. Or maybe you could try making it on yourself. Like try making an asset yourself, you know? I'm sure that there are like options always. There are always options, you know? I'm sure you could have figured it out if you tried. It's a shame that you gave up, but it is what it is, I suppose. It is what it is. Everything is financial issues, you know? Always gotta be with that money stuff. Here we go.
Let's go with a something like 50, and we'll just reduce that from position. So maybe minus.
The free assets didn't look that good and didn't meet my standards pretty much. I mean, you could have tried learning how to make your own assets. Like, are you working with 3D models? You could have tried learning Blender. I mean, it won't be easy. I know it's learning like 3D modeling is very difficult, but Blender is a free software, so you could try to learn if you are dedicated enough, you know? But I perfectly understand giving up. I have wanted to give up several times as well, because I'm stupid.
Minus 50 in the position as well. And of course, if
Negative 50 and 50, okay. This is 50, and this is negative 50. Alright, seems good to me.
you have some nice image you can put as a background, do that. In my case, I unfortunately don't, so I might go for something like a gray. Oh, I'm on the weapon right now. I want to be on the weapon container, and I'll put that on some kind of gray, and
I'm gonna put this weapon container on gray. I'm gonna make this gray a bit.
I'll just reduce the alpha.
And then reduce the alpha. I think that's good. I think that's good. I think that looks good.
Maybe something like this. But if you do have like proper buttons, proper background, go ahead and implement that. It's going to look so much better, and you'll be more motivated to work on this. Okay. In terms of the text, I'll put that as a number for now. Now, as far as the text goes, I'll input a number because in the end, what I want to have right here is the amount of peso you have to pay to upgrade your weapon. So later on, we're also going to go get a new font. So I don't want to work too much on the text just yet, but eventually we're going to have a new font. So the font size is going to change. So I put that on 30 for now. It's a little bit too big.
So 130. So the text is gonna change later in the future because it's gonna be like it's gonna get more expensive to buy the next upgrade for my weapon. But for now, this will work. This will work. And yes, I'm saving up to buy a new game because prices in Romania are fucked. I mean, what game are you trying to buy? What game are you trying to buy? Just curious, if you don't mind me asking. $50 would be like $45. So you're telling me something like Elden Ring is like $100 or something? 100 BattleBit remaster. Oh, I've heard of that. I've heard people talk about that before. I hear it's really good. I hear it's really good. It's like $21. So you said that $15 would be like $45 in Romania, huh? So I'm assuming that would be like, I don't know. Yeah, it'd be like $45 for you. Yeah, that's a bummer. I mean, I don't know what to say, bro. I don't know what to say. I mean, I guess you could try saving up. I mean, that is pretty expensive, but it's like it's not that expensive. Like if you save up for a couple days, you might be able to get it. Do you have a job? If you don't mind me asking, of course. Do you have a job? I mean, I'm sure you can get like $45 in a single day if you have a job. And yeah, I know. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna continue back to this.
I mentioned it will change when we change font as well. Okay, so that would be it for the
I
character.
mean, I'm sure you could save up for that in a couple days, you know? Yeah. Yeah.
Equipment. Alright, so next up we have the character selection. In here, we will need an image. That's going to be character sprite. This
Character selection. Okay, we're moving on to the character selection now. Create an image here. UI and then image. I don't have a job. I'm in my last year of high school. I see. Can you not get a job in high school? I'm pretty sure you could have. I mean, I'm not saying you should, but I'm just saying. I don't know about Romania, but here you could get a job at pretty much at the age of like 15, I think. I don't even know. I don't remember. I don't really remember, but yeah. I mean, I don't know. You could always ask from your parents. I don't know. I mean, I don't know your situation, so I can't really give you good advice. I don't know why I'm trying to give advice. My own life is kind of fucked up. I don't know why I'm trying to give other people advice here.
one, let's make sure it actually fits the same exact aspect ratios.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to character sprite here. Character sprite. Character sprite.
So something like 15, 20 could be close enough. If you want to have the perfect aspect ratio, just go ahead, take one of your player, and do set as native size.
15 and 20. Did he do 16 and 16?
Ratio, and just start scaling up.
Okay, 16 and 16. Was it 16 and 16? And then I'm gonna get an image. Player 0, was it? Are we player 0 or player 1? I don't remember. I can get a job. I'm starting architecture, and I spend 6 to 7 hours a day drawing for college. I see. 6 to 7 hours a day. Holy crap. I gotta say, that is a lot of time, bro. I don't think I could spend doing anything for 6 to 7 hours a day. I barely sleep 6 to 7 hours a day, bro. God damn. I gotta say, that's good work you're doing there, bro. That's some pretty good work you're doing there. Respects to that.
From there, so let's find out what could be good looking. We don't want to go too big with that simply because it's too small. It's really small.
But yeah, good luck. Good luck with your college stuff, man. Good luck with your college stuff. College is pretty hard. School, education, all hard stuff, man. I'm not very good at learning. That's very hard stuff for me.
If you go very, very big, it is not going to look so good, as you can tell. So keep it small, keep it simple. Let's actually use this one. That looks fine. Maybe bump it a little bit higher in the y-axis. So I was thinking about 10 or 20 or 30 because we want to leave some space at the bottom for some buttons. So these buttons are going to
40. Thanks, Slime. I mean, you know, if I can't be successful, I gotta wish for other people to be successful, you know? You know what I mean? It'd be better if other people become successful.
be coming in right now. We have a new UI button, and that is still inside of the character selection. I'll call this one a left arrow, and we'll give it a shape. We'll remove the text inside of it. We'll just take this one shape. Make sure it is
Left arrow.
Try 16 for 16.
Yeah, let me do left arrow here. I don't know what this left arrow stuff is. Hey, left arrow. Is that an image? Is that did he create an image, or is that a button?
We have a new UI button, and that is still inside of the character selection. I'll call this one.
Yeah, that's a button. That's a button. Where's my UI? Button. Button. Okay, there's my button.
On a left arrow, and we'll give it a shape.
Left
remove
arrow.
the text inside of it. We'll just take this one shape. Make sure it is, say, we can try 16 for 16. Again, way too small. What about 50 by 50? That could work if we make it take the proper place in the screen. So what if we do minus 25? We're gonna go on this side.
50 by 50. Okay, that seems good. 50, 50. I'm assuming we're gonna remove the text, right? I'm assuming we're gonna remove the text. Text seems kind of annoying, so I'm just gonna remove that. I guess we can move that over there for a bit.
And in terms of y, let's do minus 40. Maybe something good
So
like
it's negative 25 and negative 40. Negative 25 and negative 40. Seem pretty good to me.
something like this. Might push it a little bit further on the left-hand side to the right arrow. This one that's about to come up can have some spacing in between.
Negative 30. Wait, what? Negative 30 and positive 30. Okay. That seems good to me. Now, when this can be like the right arrow, maybe? Right arrow, yeah. This will be right arrow. Right arrow. And this will be positive 30. And this here, we can change how our character looks then.
Like mentioned, this lesson is all about you and what you want your UI to look like. I'm giving you the one I'm using right here. Of course, you can copy it pixel per pixel, but where's the fun in that? Just be a little bit creative and try to just move things around. I like to compare those prototype UI to my room. I like to just switch things around most of the time, so I don't really focus on the final aspect of it, the final design of it just yet, because we'll have to give it a try. We'll have to try it in the game to see if it feels good or not. So while you're just prototyping, while you're just laying down the skeleton of the UI, I don't think you need to spend so much time. Just put things where somewhere you can see it.
Can I add you on Steam, Slime? I mean, I don't know, bro. I don't really I guess. Probably not live on stream though, because I don't want to like show people my Steam or anything. I don't know why you would want to do that though. Is there like a reason why? Can I ask why? I guess. But there's no real reason why, but I guess if you really want to. I don't play games on Steam that much, just saying. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
And somewhere where it can make sense, and then while you're playing, you'll understand where it
There's
makes more
no
sense.
reason. I really don't know why. I don't use Steam that much. I'd rather not like. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to say, man. I'm just gonna eat a chip. I don't really add people on Steam. I really don't add people on Steam. It's nothing against you. It's just that like I don't want to add people on stuff. I just don't add people. Like I don't have any friends on Steam or anything. I have like 2 friends. Yeah. Nothing against you, bro. I'm not trying to like be rude or anything. I'm just like just like keeping my private stuff private. And I keep my private stuff private, if you know what I mean. Yeah. Thanks for understanding. Yeah.
Part of the time, like, upgrading here might not be the best place. Maybe you want to put it really, really close to this button so you can do a quick upgrade.
Yeah.
This is where I'm going. It really depends. So you'll have to try out your game before you decide on your final UI, which is also why being a UX guy is a job. You can have a job where all you have to do is create UI for the whole day. So under character information, let's keep on going. Under character information, I'll go and create some text. The first text is going to be the health label. And I'll go.
So we're gonna create some text for our character information now. That's what we're gonna do. Wait, what kind of text did you do? Did you do legacy text or normal text?
So under character information, let's keep on going. Under character information, I'll go and create some text.
That's normal text, not legacy text. So we'll do normal text, UI. Is it raw text or legacy text? I'm gonna try legacy text for now. Health. That should work. Health.
The first text is going to be the health label. And I'll call this label because I will be
Health label. Okay, sure. I don't know what this label is, but sure.
Adding something beneath it. So that's like the title, and beneath that's going to be the paragraph. So this one, health, in all caps. I'll make that centered. I'll give it, say, white color would be good in this case, so a big white color. And like I mentioned, don't worry so much about the scaling of this because it's going to change once we import a new font. What does matter is that we're going to make this stretch on both axes.
Health. 14. What? I need to see where he puts his
50,
position.
And I'll put everything back on 0, maybe height of 50
0 minus 50. Did he do it up here? I don't remember. Let me scroll back for a sec.
This big white color. Like I mentioned, don't worry so much about the scaling of this because it's going to change once we import a new.
He put that up here. Up here. Are you copying the tutorial? Or you also plan to implement own stuff like custom skins? For now, I'm only copying the code for now, but I intend on making my own stuff though. This is just learning. This is me learning. I am new to game development, as you can see. I'm trying to learn here. I'm trying to learn with the code. So right now, I'm just copying stuff. I'm trying to understand what he's doing. And in the future, like once I'm like at the end, once I've understood everything, I'm gonna try to make my own enemies and maybe my own like stuff as well, yeah. Maybe player mods. I might even make my own sprites too. But for now, I am just kind of copying the code and stuff, yeah. Yeah, but I am trying to learn, though. I'm trying to learn. Also, welcome to the stream, Mr. Robot. Hope you are having a very good day. And also, remember to stay hydrated, even though you're a robot. I don't know if robots can be thirsty or not, but stay hydrated, bro. Drink lots of water. Or in your case, if you're a robot, you can drink, like, I don't know, electricity? What do robots drink? Oil? Electricity? I don't know.
Fun. What does matter is that we're going to make this.
So we're going to do 20, negative 15. 20, negative 150. I don't know if that's working. Is this working? Wait, what? Health label. Where's my health label? Over here. Right here. Hi. Also, hi. Hi, dude. Sorry? Sorry for what? Wait, what? Okay?
Stretch on .axis. I'll go with say minus 50.
You know what? I'm not even gonna ask. Not gonna ask. I'm not gonna ask.
Going to change once we import in.
We're gonna put that over there. Put this over here. We'll put this to 0. I don't know. I don't know either, I suppose.
Fun. What does matter is that we're going to make this stretch on .axis. I'll go with say minus 50.
Minus 50.
Everything back on 0, maybe a height of 50 as well.
Minus 50, 0, and 50. Let's see if this works or not. Minus 50, 50, and 0. For some reason, mine isn't changing like his is. What did I do wrong here? His font is working, but for me it isn't working. Let me see what I did wrong here, and then I'll try to...
So, this one, health, in all caps. I'll make that centered. I'll give it
Oh, yeah, we'll center this. Yeah, we'll need to center that. We need to center that. It's good to center our texts. Center our texts right here. Then we'll put this up here, maybe. Negative 50. 0, 0, 50. Then I'm going to increase the size, font size, like 24 or something. 24, I think 24 is good. Also, how do I bold the text? I want to make the text bold so I can see better, you know? Bold, big bolded text would be nice. Health, where is the bold? Ah, there we go. Bold. My text is now bolded.
Well, white color would be good in this case, so a big white color. Like I mentioned, don't worry so much about the scaling of this because it's going to change once we import the new font. What does matter is that we're going to make this stretch on .axis. I'll go with say minus 50, and I'll put everything back on 0, maybe a height of 50 as well. Okay, right. And beneath that is going to be another text object. I'll just duplicate this one, and that's going to be the health. So we have the health label.
Alright, we're going to duplicate this. This is health label, and this is going to be normal health. Okay. Okay, that works fine.
And then just beneath that, we're going to have the actual information. This one I could put it on minus 25, like it is right now, but I want to make it so it's minus 25 from the parent. How do I go about doing this? Okay, so I just did it by going back in this menu over here and holding shift to set my anchor.
Yeah, we're going to go back in here, hold our shift, anchor point this here, negative 20, negative 25, negative 30?
Point at the top as well. Now I can go here and say minus 25.
Minus 25, okay, we'll do minus 25. Health. Yes, this is inspirational. You guys have to look out after your health, alright? Make sure to look after your health. Stay healthy, people. Although I shouldn't be one to talk since I'm not very healthy myself.
In this case, the font's going to be a little bit smaller, so let's try 15.
Try 15. I forgot to recommend you Graveyard Keeper. Nice game. Graveyard Keeper. What is that? Graveyard Keeper. What? Wait, did I just accidentally... Wait. Okay, I don't know. I think I accidentally... Graveyard Keeper. What game is this? How long is the game, by the way? It looks kind of like Stardew Valley. Valley? Value? I don't know. It looks like a very cool game. What kind of game is this? Is this a there's crafting, RPG, simulation, and indie. Stardew Oh, shit. Don't mind that. I was talking to TNT about something weird earlier. Don't mind that. Graveyard Keeper. Playtime. What's the playtime? Not long. Took about 14 hours to beat it. That's... Took about 14 hours to beat it. Oh yeah, it's not very long. Looks at the fucking how long to beat page. First thing I see, 45 hours. Oh my god, even for those doing it rushed, it was still 31 hours, man. That was kind of funny. I was like, oh, that wasn't too long. 14 hours? That's pretty good. Oh my god, that's 45 hours, man. That's 45 hours. Okay, let me see the trailer. Let me see the trailer. If it's good, I might play it. Alright, here. What's this about? Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. I got copyrighted for watching a trailer the other day. I'm gonna make it very quiet. I don't know if that's gonna make it, So it's kind of like Stardew Valley. There is crafting, there's farming, and there's, like, stuff I see. Like, maybe it's like Stardew Valley, like, Stardew Valley combined with, like, an RPG or something. It does look very cool, though. I also have not played Stardew Valley before, so I don't know why I keep comparing it to Stardew. A lot of quests also. Very cool. Family-friendly activities, I see. Many business alliances. Looks pretty cool, yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Not bad. You know, I'll put it on my list. I'll put it on my list. I don't know if I'll play it on stream. I don't know if I'll play it on stream because of how long the game is. I usually do not like playing the games that are super long. Unless you really want me to watch, unless you really want to watch me play it or something. I don't know. But, probably play on myself. But I don't know. Let me put this on my list for a sec. Graveyard Keeper. Are we like a necromancer or something? Why are we keeping a graveyard? Necromancer. We're gonna raise the undead. I'm gonna put this on my to play list, you know? I'm gonna play this someday. Maybe in like 20 years I'll play this someday. I'm gonna save this to my games. I also have a lot of other games I want to play. I have so many games I want to play, man. So many games to play. Like, I have like a plethora of games I want to play. So, deciding what to play next is going to be a bit difficult.
And some placeholder text as well, something like this.
So, like,
Cool.
10 by 15. 10 out of 50. But I do appreciate the recommendations. I do like games. I do like games very, very much.
Next up, copy this.
I do like the games, you know. I do like games very much. 10 out of 50. We're gonna have 50 HP, bro? That's a lot of HP, man. That's a lot of HP. Well, I guess it would be different if they do a lot of damage, I guess.
We did once. Let's actually move down to, say, minus 100, maybe? 125. And once more. This time, minus 200. Cool. We're going to change the second health.
Okay, I want to do this. I'm going to duplicate this a couple times. Gonna duplicate that. What kind of label is
Label
this?
for level label. And finally, pesos label.
Level label and pesos level. Okay. Minus 200. Minus 150 was it? 150? No, that's way too low. That's way too much. Minus 100. Wait, what? Also, Sludge Life 1 and 2. Sludge Life 1. Oh, it's first person open world game. Okay. Sounds very interesting. I see. Ghost, doesn't this feel the whole place is about to crumble? This does actually look like an interesting game that I might play, you know? This game sucks. He must have been playing my game or something. That's why it sucks. Where is Sludge Life 2? Sludge Life 2. No, Sludge Life. I see. These games actually don't look bad. These games don't look too bad. Playtime. Only about 3 hours, so it's not quite long. I will actually consider. I'll put this on my stream game list. I will put this on my list of games to play on stream. But the thing is, my list of games to play on stream is actually quite long right now, growing bigger and bigger. So I don't know when I'll be able to play it, but it's gonna be on my list. Sludge Life trailer. It's gonna be on my list of games to play, but it's gonna be a while before I can get to play it, you know? My list is very long and it's growing very vastly. If I became like a full-time streamer, I'll probably get to play it someday, but like probably not gonna become a full-time streamer considering how I'm not very successful. I feel like I want to keep on recommending games, but I'm keeping you from actually. Yeah, I know. Whenever I get to conversation, whenever I talk to people in chat, like, it's fun. But the thing is, I'm being distracted and making me slower to finish this game, you know? It's actually distracting me. But it is still fun talking to people in chat.
That went for Bezos.
Yeah.
And change the text inside.
Yeah, we're gonna... But I do appreciate you, fucking... What was I gonna say again? I forgot. I do appreciate you recommending games. That's what I was gonna say. I forgot. But yes, I do appreciate you recommending games, bro.
Well. Something like this. Cool. Next up, copy this. We did once. Let's actually move down to, say, minus 100, maybe? 125.
125, okay.
And once more. This time, minus 200.
125 and 200, okay. Minus 125, 125, and negative 200 here. Negative 200. There we go. There we go.
We're going to change the second health label for level label, and finally, pesos label.
Level label and monies label. Level label. Level label. And third one, wait, no, that's the wrong one. This is money label. Money label. And level label. There we go. Level label. And then we can change the text here. We'll be level like 10 million or something. Health. This is level. This can be our level here. Level. Level. Level, like level 1. Level 1. We can be level 1. Yeah. Yeah, this is going quite well, even though this is probably going to be very confusing to set up all this. Very confusing to set up all this. Level 1. This will be money. We can be like, we can do like 69, 420. Yes, I am very mature. I love the number 69 for some reason. Very funny. I'm very funny. Haha, laugh at my joke. Haha, I'm so funny. Funny, funny, funny. Why is this not capitalized? I should capitalize that, shouldn't I? Money! I love money! I'm like Mr. Quab, I love money! Alright, I'm gonna put this to level here. Put that to level, and I'm going to...
As you probably guessed, we're going to change that for level, that one for pesos. And change the text inside of it as well.
Yep, sounds good.
Level could be 5, and pesos could be 75. We can also play with the color of it, so pesos could be yellow, and level could be purple. Or, you know, that color.
Alright, seems good. Level, like, we can be level 2 or something. We'll put ourselves to level 2. This can be, like, purple. Our levels are purple, and our health can be, like, our money is green. Green money seems fitting, right? Money is green, right? Money is green. When you think of money, it's usually green or yellow. So I think I'm gonna go with that.
Definitely doesn't look that good right now. So what we're gonna do, make sure it fits. Put it around here. And we now have the art, or as it is, a visual aspect.
Alright, this is the visual aspect of our game. Gaia. Bruv. Gaia. Wait, how can I move this? Why is this not moving? How do I, how? Why? How do I move this all at once?
Make sure it fits. Or, you know, that color. And pesos could be 75. We can also play with the color of it, so pesos could be yellow, and level could be purple. Or, you know, that color. Definitely doesn't look that good right now. So what we're gonna do, make sure it fits. Put it around here.
How the fuck did he move that all? I can't move it for some reason. Q. Oh, I'm on the wrong fucking screen. That's why. I'm an idiot. I'm an actual bumbling buffoon. I was on the wrong screen and wondering why can I not move this? But I was on the wrong fucking screen. No wonder why I couldn't move it.
and we now have the art, or at least the visual aspect of our menu. The right-hand side of here, the one we just did, this is going to change without user input. So you play the game, you collect some pesos, this is going to change, you get hit, you lose health. This one in the middle is going to be the character selection. So this one we do have an input, the left button and the right button. And finally on the left-hand side, we've got the sword. Of course, this one does have an input. You click on this button. If you do have the amount of pesos required, you are going to upgrade your weapon. Oh, and one thing I almost forgot is the experience bar. So we're going to go under the experience bar, create another UI image of the same exact size. To do that, I can either input it manually or make it stretch on both axes, then put everything back on 0. So this is going to give me a an overlay of everything we had. And we'll just call this one progress. What I will be doing.
Progress. Okay, we're gonna do this. Where is my EXP bar? Experience. Wait, whoops. Golden experience. Experience bar. That's the experience bar, right? Golden experience. I'm gonna copy and paste this. I'm gonna put it here.
Doing is through code, I will be changing the scale.
Progress. This will be progress then. Progress. Alright, progress. And this, I could change this to like white or something. White. Whiter Snyder. Don't know what I just said, but okay. Okay, that seemed good to me.
Scale, and as you can tell, when we do change the scale, it's going to shrink. But now we have to make sure it shrinks from the proper position. So what I'll be doing with this proper size here, when everything is put back on 0, I'll go and click here, put the anchor on the bottom left, so I'm holding shift, or you can just put it on the left right here, and then it is going to return to a normal object that does not stretch, and the width and the height is going to be set. And we have this.
Wait, what? What did you say?
Proper size here, when everything changing the scale, and as you can, an overlay of everything we had. And we'll just call this one progress. What I will be doing is through code, I will be changing the scale, and as you can tell, when we do change the scale, it's going to shrink. But now we have to make sure it shrinks from the proper position. So what I'll be doing with this proper size here, when everything is put back on 0, I'll go and click here, put the anchor on the bottom left, so I'm holding shift, or you can just put it on the left right here, and then it is.
Yeah, I want to put it on left. Left here.
It's going to return to a normal object that does not stretch, and the width and the height is going to be set. And we have this new anchor point, which means if we reduce this, or if we
Yeah, that seems, that's gonna be our experience bar and stuff. I'm gonna change the width. Yeah, as we get more experience, that will go up, which is quite nice, you know. That's experience. We can get EXP, you know. EXP is always nice. EXP. Alright, that seems to be fine. And we're good here.
increase it, is going to play just like a progress bar. So I will be leaving that to full, and changing the color, of course. So I'll just be picking a brighter.
Why does my white bar look kinda not white? Why does this look so dull? This white bar looks kinda grayish for some reason, even though my thing is white. Even though it's fully white, it is weirdly not white for some reason. Why is this so gray? I don't know why it's gray for some reason. It's kind of weird. I mean, it's not like super important or anything, but it's kind of gray and it's bothering me for some reason. I don't know why it's gray. I don't like the fact that it's gray. You know what? I don't fucking care. I'm just gonna continue on.
Shade of this color. Something like this.
Oh, we can just switch it to purple.
Alright, now one more thing I'd like to put on this experience bar, and it's.
We'll switch it to a type of purple. We'll do that then. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna change it to a type of purple. I'm gonna do a lighter purple. Yeah, I'm gonna do it with a lighter purple.
To actually display the amount of experience you have and how much experience you need to level up. Simple thing, we just create a new UI text. We make sure it is stretching on both axes. This one is fine. Anchored in the middle, alignment in the middle, bigger font, maybe 30.
Man, he is fast. I mean, I am watching this video on 2x
Right.
speed. So what do I expect? I don't know what I'm expecting.
Something like this. Alright, now one more thing I'd like to put on this experience bar, and it's to actually display the amount of experience you have and how much experience you need to level up. Simple thing, we just create a new UI text. We make
Create more text, man. So much fucking text, bro. Create UI text. There we go. Probably gonna use legacy text. Legacy text seems easier. Legacy text.
make sure it is stretching on both axes. This one is fine. Simple thing, we just create a new UI text. We make sure it is stretching on both axes. This one is fine.
Bro, he is fast, man.
Simple thing, we just create a new UI text. We make sure it is stretching on both axes.
What do you wait? What? What do you
And
press?
how much experience you need to level up. Simple thing, we just create a new UI text. We make sure it is stretching on.
Okay, wait. Bottom right. Bottom right. So that's what he did. Bottom right. Bottom right, we're gonna set this to 0, 0, 0, 0. And 0.
Both axis, this one is fine. Anchored in the middle, align.
Anchored in the middle. That seems fine. Then we're gonna put this to like 20 or something. Like 2 out of 100 EXP. There we go.
In the middle, bigger font, maybe 30, and then we just.
Oh, he did 30. Okay, we'll set it to 30 then. I mean, I am not against doing a big font, but that's fine.
Our text, our default text, will be of course modifying all of that as we see fit.
Yeah, we'll be changing that as we see fit. We'll be changing all this as we see fit in the future. But for now, we're gonna be satisfied with this display screen. It's a very simple display screen for now, but it's gonna be the layout of our game. It's gonna be it's gonna be our UI so far. I can't see my button at the bottom for some reason. I can't see the button. There we go. I've killed the guy, and now I can press the UI, and then I can do this. Wow, so cool! I'm so cool, man. Look at this, bro. Look at this. I'm actually so proud of how this looks, man. It actually looks somewhat professional. Even if it isn't professional, it looks somewhat professional. You know what I mean? It looks somewhat professional. That's good enough for me, you know? Good enough for me. Man, this is just so fucking cool, bro. So fucking cool, man.
Okay, well, that is all we need to do to put all the art in here. We're pretty much ready to start implementing the mechanic behind those, so I will be doing that in the next lesson, guys. I will see you there.
Alright.
In this lesson, we are going to start implementing the code behind this piece of menu. So let's click on the menu, go under the add component, and we're going to call this character.
We're going to go under the menu. We're going to create another component. This is a very... Oh my god, look how big the menu is, man. Holy shit, there is so much objects and stuff under this fucking menu. I mean, that's canvas right there. I mean, this menu. Look at that. There's like fucking a solid like 20 different things under it. But we're going to create a new script here called menu. Menu. Oh god, I'm gonna have to put this in my scripts. Can you can you load? Hurry up and load, please. I need to put this in scripts here. Menu. Okay, what the fuck? Why is it fucking... Why are you being mean to me? Stop being mean to me here. Okay, there we go.
Menu, or whatever you feel like calling it. My case character menu, I will be opening it up in my favorite editor, cleaning it up like I always do, and then we're gonna get started. So, we're going to need...
Oh, he renamed it character menu, so I might rename it character menu as well. Okay, we're gonna rename it character menu because I want everything to be exactly the same. Because if I make a mistake, it's easier to fix the mistake if everything's exactly the same, you know? I'm gonna remove component here. I'm gonna add a new script. Character menu. Character. There's no spaces. Okay, I'm not gonna add a space here. Character menu. Perfect. Where is my character menu here? Where is it? I don't see it. Come on, you should be somewhere around here with the C's. Where's my character menu? I don't see it. Don't know why it's out here, but okay. It's loading again for some reason. Just let it load, you know, just let it load. Character menu. And this should be character menu, right? Yeah, that's character menu, alright. Let me delete like half of this shit. Anyways, out of the window. Okay.
A lot of field in here. We're going to be playing with a lot of different variables. Let's start with the text fields. So we're going to start declaring a public text level text.
Text field. Okay, let's go to text field here. Text in veil. Text field. I gotta stretch my fingers for a sec. I've been typing out for like the last 2.5 hours, you know? Text fields.
Text. If you have not realized, we're going to need to implement UnityEngine.ui. So if it is not done, go ahead and use UnityEngine.ui. And then
UnityEngine.ui. That's what we need to do. Of course. .ui. UI. There we go. Public text level. Was it level?
we'll declare them on the same line. So level text, we're going to need hit point text. We're going to need pesos text. we're gonna need the upgraded cost text, and finally the XP text.
That's a lot of texts, bro. Level text. Level text. Hit point text. What texts do we need? Money point text, I think. Money text and EXP text. There we go.
All of those are required. Because we'll be updating,
I forgot upgrade cost text. Upgrade cost. Upgrade cost text. That is something that I also have to do.
Inside of the menu, and all of those are dynamic values that we need to update. Okay. Next, we're gonna need some logic field, and those are for the sprites, for the character sprites, and also the weapon sprite. So let's go and start declaring a private int current character selection. That's your selection in Vex. So if we have 0, we're looking at the player underscore 0. If we have 1, we're looking at the player underscore 1. We're gonna need a public image.
Okay, we're gonna do logic now. I hate doing logic because I'm not very good at figuring out logic, you know. Private int current character selection, was it? Equals 0.
Character selection sprite, and another public image. You can declare it on the same line if you want. Weapon sprite. And finally, a public.
That's 0 right there. 0. Public image. Okay, we're gonna create a couple public images. Public image. Oh, whoops. That's a capital I. Okay. Capital I. I'm making a couple mistakes here, but hopefully it'll be better. Current selection sprite. Current selection sprite. Public image, weapon.
Rect transform for the X.
Rect transform. What the fuck is that? Selection. Weapon sprite, not weapon selection. Okay. Public rect. Rect what? What is it? Rect transform. Okay. So I'm assuming that allows us to work with the rectangle, create custom shaped rectangles. I'm assuming.
XP bar. I mentioned in the last lesson that we're only going to be using the local scale to actually do the progress bar. So this is why I'm using a rect transform over here.
XP bar. Perfect. XP bar. There we go.
All of these are public, so we'll have to go assign them manually as soon as we are ready. Okay, but before we do that, let's start declaring a couple of things, so a couple of functions we will be using. First one could be, I'm not quite sure, we have a couple of things in here. We could do the character selection first. So it's going to do that. We're going to need a public void on arrow click. This is going to be the function.
Public void on arrow. Okay. Character slash. Okay. We're gonna start. We're creating a bunch of variables for now. We're creating a bunch of variables. Character selection. Hopefully, I'll understand what's going on when we actually get to the coding part. Public void on click. On arrow click. Okay, on arrow click.
That the two buttons are going to call. Now, both buttons are going to be calling the same function. Whether it is right or left is going to be determined by this boolean we're going to pass in. So I call it boolean right.
Boolean right. Bool right. So if it's true, that means we're pressing the right button. If it's not right, we're pressing the left button.
If we are clicking on the right arrow, the boolean is going to be true, and if we're clicking on the left one, it is going to be false. So this is how I know which button we're going to click. Now, if we are pressing the right arrow, well, we have to do something like this. So current selection plus plus. We're incrementing that by 1.
Okay, plus plus. If right, plus plus. Current selection plus plus. If it's not, we're do minus minus. I'm assuming minus minus. Or else. We can just do else. Else, right? Else will work, right? Else. Minus minus.
And if we went too far away in the array, so if there is no more character after the current selection, we'll have to do if current character selection is equal to game manager.instance player sprites.count. So if we reach that point, that means we have to go back to 0. So current character selection is.
Okay, so I get that. Why am I getting an error here? Why the fuck am I getting an error here? Oh, I did 2 dots instead of a dot and a comma thingy. Okay. If current equals game manager dot instance dot what? There's a lot. Player sprite. Okay. Player sprite dot count. Do I need to add 2 brackets there? Okay,
0.
I do not need to put 2 brackets. That's something I did unnecessarily. I don't know why I did that. I thought that would be needed there, but it was not. Current selection equals 0. And if this, I'm going to copy this code here. If this is equal to -1, I'm going to put this to here, I'm assuming. Yeah. That way it can loop around the list of character sprites.
And then on selection change, which is a function that will be declared
On selection change.
right after that.
We'll create a script right after that. On selection change. On selection change. Alt enter. Yeah, I want to create a throw new not implemented exception. I don't know what that is, but okay. On selection change. Okay. There we go. What about the basic setup
Okay,
here?
now if we're going right, we do the exact same thing.
Oh, he added a D there. There's a D. Change duh. You always gotta have the extra D. If you don't have a D inside of you, clearly something's wrong.
But the other way around, so I'll just be copying this. We'll say current character selection minus minus. If the current character selection is smaller than 0, that means we went to -1, and that is not valid.
Oh, if it's smaller than 0, not if it's equal to 0. Oh, okay, I made a mistake there. Or okay, I guess I did the same exact thing. If it's equal to -1, I guess that's the same exact thing.
Array, we're going to say it's equal to game manager instance player sprites count -1 because we are 0 base. Okay, so in these two are quite simple, all written. At the end of the
I'll have to do -1 as well. I made a little bit of a teensy weensy error there.
I call the function call on selection change. So if we did manage to change the character sprite, or actually just the current character index, then we're going to be calling this function, so private void on selection change, and then in here we can apply.
Wait, the first one is a public void. This one is a private void. Okay.
The different sprite, which should be quite easy. All we have to do.
Wait, what's the difference between a public and a private void again? I don't remember. What's the difference between public and private functions? Oh, I'm assuming private means I can't run it from other scripts, right?
At the top. So the sprite is equal to game manager instant.
Current selection, okay. Current selection equals character sprite dot sprite. Selection sprite. No wait, character selection sprite equals dot sprite. Do I have a current selection sprite? Oh yeah, yes I do. Yes I do. Equals
Player sprites at the index.
dot instance dot player sprites. Then we're gonna put inside of here current. No, I can't spell for some reason. There we go. That should be good, right? No errors,
Current character
please.
selection. And that's it. That's all we have to do. Alright, so that was it for the character selection. Next up, we could have the weapon.
Wow, that was pretty simple. But how do we link it up to our actual character, though? Pretty simple, but how do we link it up? I spelled character wrong there, but honestly, I don't care. I do not care if I spelled character wrong.
Weapon upgrade, so weapon upgrade. And it's also going to be a button, so we'll do public void on click upgrade. Or we could just follow that way I was telling earlier. We'll do it on upgrade.
Okay, weapon upgrade. Weapon upgrade. I'm assuming weapon upgrade is gonna be a little bit more confusing, but I don't know. Okay, what does he do? On upgrade click. Public void. On. Wait, no, that's not what I did. On upgrade click. Okay, let me check this script, by the way. Okay.
Okay. Now, inside of on upgrade click, we are going to need a reference to the weapon, which is not something the menu has. So I'll be leaving this empty for now, but we'll have to go back and get a reference to the weapon. And the way I think we're going to be doing this is by using Game Manager. So the Game Manager is going to try and update the weapon instead. And finally, we need some text just to update the character information. So that is all the text field you saw at the top here. We need to upgrade all of that. So let's go ahead and do it. We're going to declare.
Upgrade the character information. Okay. I'm gonna leave this one empty for now because we don't have the reference to this stuff. That juicy stuff, that is. Update the car info.
Function, call it public void update menu.
Public
inside of
void update menu. Public void update menu. This is when we're going to update the menu.
And then
for
with the
our
update menu,
health
we run into the same
stuff.
kind of problem we run into with the on upgrade click. We are missing some information in the Game Manager to just complete these properly. So what we'll do is we're going to fill in what we can, but then we'll have to go in the Game Manager, implement the weapon in there properly, and then come back here. So let's do, say we have the meta, we have the weapon, which we can't do at the moment, so let's leave that empty. In terms of meta, we can do hit point text. That text is going to equal to Game Manager.
The weapon. Meta. Meta? What is meta? Is it Meta the Facebook thing from, what's his name? I forgot his name. Mark Zuckerberg or something? Fucking, he owns Meta.
Instance player, hit point to string, and
That is a long-ass code. What the hell, man? Bro, do coders do this all day? Just fucking long-ass .text. How many texts are there? Jesus Christ, how many dots are there? Dot. Instance. Dot. Player sprite. Dot. No, it's dot hit point. Player sprites. No, it's just dot player. Dot hit point. Wait, what? Instance dot player dot hit point dot toString. I'm getting an error here. Okay, control enter. Alt enter, I mean. Am I not supposed to have an instance there? Wait, what? I'm getting an error, but he's not getting
then we
an
can also do
error.
the
Why do I have an error, but he does not have an error? Is my player capitalized? It might be capitalized, I think. Dot toString. I think my player class is capitalized, I think. Let me check. I think my player is capitalized and his is not, that's why. Player, yeah, my player is capitalized. That's the issue here. Mine's capitalized, his is not. Okay, got the problem solved here.
So pesos text is equal to Game Manager. Instance pesos to string, and that would be it.
Okay, so basically the same thing then, but money text this time. Money text equals game manager dot, no, not dot instinct, dot money. Wait, what is it again? Dot instance. We're gonna do dot instant again. Dot monies dot toString. Put brackets here, and there we go. Why do I have an error? Money text. What? I have an error here. Why do I have an error? Why do I have an error? Cannot convert type string to UI text. What? I have an error here. Let me check my game manager. Game manager. Where's my game manager? Where's my fucking game manager? Oh, right here. There's my game manager. Okay, where's my I do not know. Okay. I'm having an error here for some reason. Dot text. Did I? Oh, I didn't put dot. I'm an idiot. I didn't put dot text. Okay. I didn't put dot text. That was the issue. I didn't do dot. I don't know why I need that dot text there, but okay.
We cannot do the level just yet, simply because there's no mechanic created around the level. So the experience mechanic is not created just yet. So we'll just leave that empty. Let's do little text, dot text, and we'll leave that to not implemented.
Not implemented. We'll put this to not implemented yet. Level text dot text equals not implemented yet. Okay. You want to put one of these at the end. One of these, you know, one of those.
Okay, so something like this will have to come back here, of course. Weapon sprite is also the same exact thing. So we'll do weapon sprite. Since we're here, I'm going to write down the line, but you know we can't really put the proper thing in here, so there's going to be a bug. We'll just say weapon sprite at the index 0. Same thing goes for the...
Okay, so we're going to put that index 0. So basically, we don't have all the information that we need yet, basically. Weapon sprite... Wait, what? Wait, what? What the fuck? Weapon sprite... I want to do weapon sprite. Dot sprite is also equal to game manager dot instance dot... What's the instant? Weapon sprite. That's what I need. Weapon, no, not weapon price. Weapon sprite, not price, please. Please, no, I don't want to pay for a fucking weapon. Weapon sprites with an S at the end. There we go. If I forget as much as an S, or if I forget to capitalize something, it ruins my entire code. I have to be so fucking
text
careful,
weapon,
man.
so the upgrade cost text, we can say dot text not implemented.
Okay, what upgrade cost text? Upgrade cost text equal dot text. I forgot the dot text. I keep forgetting the dot text. Not implemented yet. I can't spell implemented, but whatever. That's good enough for me. Good enough for me now.
And finally, there is the XP bar. So XP bar. This one also not implemented. We don't have the XP mechanic just yet. So let's go ahead and say XP text. Oops. Dot text is going to equal to not.
XP bar. Half of these things are not implemented yet. We need to start implementing these things. EXP bar. XP bar. XP text. Text dot text equals. What is it equal to? Not implemented yet. Not added yet. I'm just gonna say not added. I don't want to retype implemented out.
Implemented in all caps. And we can mess around with the local scale, so we can say XP bar, that local scale is equal to, oops, again, I'm typing too fast.
XP bar dot local scale, XP bar dot local, whoops, local scale equals,
Is equal to a new vector 3. Let's say 0.500, so it's going to be halfway completed.
new vector 3. And then we're gonna do these fancy shit. And here, there we go.
Okay, now we have the update menu. We'd like to hook this up every time we open the menu. So every time we open the menu through the button, it would be nice if we have a nice refresh of all that data. So refresh of all this metadata we have here, refresh of the weapon, refresh of pretty much everything. So let's go ahead and add that as well to our little button called here. So remember that button in the HUD, the menu button, hiding behind everything right now? We're going to add a new function to it. Right now it's only setting the trigger of the animator. We're going to hit the plus sign, choose our menu, because that's where our character...
Alright, we're gonna do that again. We're gonna go back into the game. Contain, what button? Where was it? I don't remember. I don't remember where that is. Where was the button? I don't remember where I put the button. Right here? Was this the button? Yeah, I think this might be the button. Yeah, this is the button. Menu. We're gonna run a function here. What's the function? I forgot what function it is. Game kit menu. You know what? I'm just gonna watch the video. I stopped trying to do things myself.
And we'll go ahead, put our function here. So character menu, update menu.
Character menu. Update menu. Okay.
Before we test this out, we have to assign the value. So back on the menu, let's expand it completely. So including these down here, and we're going to set everything manually. So let's go ahead and find the level text. Here it is, the hit point text, peso text.
Oh my god, we have to do this all manually. Are you fucking kidding me, man? Just fucking kill me, bro. Well, we're gonna have to go through all this and do it manually. Great. And I'm gonna set this back to money. I forgot to rename this to money. Okay, let's rename this to money, man. Let's rename that to money. Okay, let's set this up all manually then, of course. hit point text, level text, money text. We don't have an upgrade cost yet, so we're not gonna do that. Progress bar. Oh shit, fuck. Oh, no, please don't do that. Please do not do that, please. I'm gonna go here, gonna drag the progress into the XP bar, and text into the XP text. And I'm just gonna rename this XP. I'm too lazy to name it anything good. Alright, that should be it, right? Do we need current weapon selection or whatever? I don't think we do.
The upgrade cost text that is on the weapons upgrade button at the top here. The experience text could
Upgrade cost text. Oh, we do have that. Okay. Upgrade. I forgot to rename some of these. Upgrade cost. I forgot the name of some of these, but whatever. Upgrade cost goes here. Wait, what? Why can I not do that? What the fuck? Why can I not put that in there? I'm confused. What? Upgrade cost tax. Yeah, it's in theory it should be working, but it's not working for some reason. Why are you not working? Why can I not put you in there? What? Hello? Hello? What the fuck? Why is this not working? Hello? Bruh. Let me check this thing again. Upgrade cost text. Yeah, that's the upgrade cost. I don't know why it's not working. I'm so confused right now. What? Okay, I guess. I mean, I don't know. Oh, can I put the character? I can put the character sprite in here. I'm just gonna do that. Weapon sprite. I'm gonna put the weapon sprite in here as well. Oh shit, I put the wrong one. Shit, oh fuck, okay. My control right now is very wacky. I'm gonna put my XP bar back in here. Oh shit, fuck. I keep pressing the wrong thing. It's very annoying. Progress. I don't know why I can't put the XP upgrade cost for some reason. Why can I not put that in? What? What? I'm so confused. Why can I not put this? Is it because I'm using Text Pro? Are you fucking kidding me? Is it because I'm using the Text Pro? Bro, what? It's because I'm using the Text Pro, isn't it? It's because I'm fucking using the Text Pro. Oh my god, I'm using Text Pro. That's why it's not working, isn't it? That's why it's not working. Oh, you fucking kidding me, man. I'm gonna have to use legacy text. Upgrade cost. This one's also upgrade. I spelled upgrade cost wrong. 100. I'm gonna put this as to 100. Yeah, that's kind of bullshit, I'll say. That's kind of bullshit. Fucking bullshit. Yeah, I'm gonna set this to 0, 0, 0, 0. I'm gonna center this as well. I'm gonna delete that. Gonna set this to 100, font of 30. And I'm gonna bold it. This should work now. In theory, this should work. I think it was because I was using Text Pro. That's why it wasn't working. But this is normal text now. Yeah, it does work. Fucking Text Pro does not work for some reason. Fucking Text Ass Pro doesn't work. Which is bullshit, I tell you. Bullshit. And for some reason, I can't run the code, which is also very bad.
B, on the experience bar, character selection. That is our character sprite. So did I type that properly? I don't think so. Character selection sprite. Okay, so it is typed properly. We just don't see the whole text because it's too big. Here it is. For this, we're going to need this little boy in the center. So let's take the character sprite, put him here.
Why do I have an error as well?
And
I have an
the
error.
progress goes.
I have an error here for some reason. I can't run the code, which is weird. Dot. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Shit. Dot text. No, text. That's how you spell text. Okay, that was a minor error, but I think I have it fixed now. I think I have it fixed. This should be able to run now, right? It should be able to run. Alright, it is running. It is running. Perfect. Oh, ow. I took damage. Ow. There we go. Perfect. Very nice. I can now attack. Honestly, I can just hold the attack button. I don't even really need to do anything. I just need to hold it. I just need to hold the attack button.
Here. Let's actually try and play this game right now. We just collected a total of 30 pesos, and they have not been updated because argument is out of range. What is wrong exactly? Let's find out what's wrong. Okay, so it turns out we get an argument out of range simply because we have this thing over here. When we update the weapon, we set index 0, but we don't have a weapon sprite array yet. I mean, it's not filled at the moment. So let's go back on the game manager and put something in the weapon sprite. Actually, let's put them all since we're here. How many weapons do we have? I think we have 6.
Oh, what? What do you do? Game manager. Game manager. Where the fuck is my game manager? There are so many fucking things here. I can't find my stupid game manager. Oh my god, this is... There's so many things here. I need to find the fucking game manager. 6. Weapon sprites here. Okay. Animation. Let's find my weapon sprites here. So, number 1 is my basic wood-ass fucking weapon. Then my stone. Then an upgraded. Then an upgrade. Then... Wait, no. Then I upgrade here. Then I upgrade here. Hello, Star Killer. Welcome to the stream. I'm literally about to end my stream right now. Is that Mr. Beast? No, it is not Mr. Beast. Unfortunately, no, it's not Mr. Beast. It would be very cool if Mr. Beast joined my stream, but unfortunately, Mr. Beast did not join my stream. Sadly, sadly. Yeah. So, yeah, I hope you're Slime, are you still in the same video? Yes, I am. I am 5 hours into this video, and I've streamed this this is my 5th stream, by the way.
I might be mistaken. Let's select a weapon. And we have a total of 7.
I'm about to end the stream. You kind of joined pretty late. I'm on the 3rd hour already. This is my 3rd hour streaming, so I'm about to end the stream. I am very tired right now. Very, very tired. I'm about to end the stream, bro. You joined kind of late, but I do hope you're having a good day.
We need a total of 7 for the golden sword.
I do hope you're having a good day, bro.
Let's go and open this. So, unimplemented. Health is at 10, which is true. The amount of pesos is still 0 because we never went and implemented that. Let's actually do that as well. We're gonna start connecting things together right now.
Yeah, we're just gonna connect. Yeah, we're gonna connect things here. I'm about to end the stream if you wanna just watch for a bit. I don't know. I'm about to end the stream here. But I'm probably gonna finish this area first. I'm probably gonna finish this text part first before I end it. Prefab, scene, scripts, chest. Our chest is going to be the only way to get money, though. I plan on making a game, and I'd watch all your programming video, but you aren't very... Yes, I am very slow, okay? It's not my fault that I'm stupid, bro. Plus, I talk to chat a lot. I talk to chat as well. So if you watch my streams, it's not just game development. I'm also talking to chat, like me talking to you right now. That takes quite a bit of time out of my time, Plus, I am very stupid. I make a lot of mistakes, too. I make a lot of mistakes. And sometimes it takes a longer time fixing the mistake than it does actually making the game.
We're going to also say game manager.instance pesos plus equal pesos amount. So that's all we needed to complete this. We should have done.
Oh, yeah. So I'm going to do game manager dot instance dot money, I think. Monies plus equals money's amount. There we go. Also, if you are making a game, let me know, bro. Let me know if you are gonna make a game. It would be very cool if I could play your game in the future. If you ever do make a successful game, I'll play it. I'll play it.
Earlier, but my bad on this. Okay, so we're back in the game. Pesos is equal to 0.
Pesos is equal to 0. Okay. Let's see if this will work here. Let me see if this will work. I have 15 monies right now for some reason. I have plus 5 monies. Oh, the monies does work. Wow, I'm surprised that monies does work. Yeah, let me set my monies back to 0. How do I set my monies back to 0? I don't remember. My monies. I have 0 monies. monies. Why do I have 15 monies? I don't know why I have 15 monies. I have 20 monies now. Let me set my monies to 0. That way I'll have 0 monies. Yeah, there we go. I have 0 monies here. There we go. That should be the basic for how things
select
work.
25, and it's now 25. So our text works. A couple of things are not implemented, so we have to go ahead and connect everything together. Now, what we will be doing in the next few lesson, actually in the next lesson, is make sure the weapon works 100%. So we're going to have the upgrade on the weapon, we're going to have the swap of sprites, but we're not going to tackle the XP just yet. We're going to take care of everything weapon related, and then we'll move on to the character sprite, and once we're done, we are going to move on to the experience. So stay tuned for the next lesson. I'll see you there.
Yeah, alright. I think I'm going to end it here. I think I'm going to end the stream here, man. I finished the HUD. This HUD took a longer time than I thought. This took like 3 hours. I think I only worked on the HUD today. And the animation too. I did also animate my weapon, so yeah. I am going to end the stream here though. Thank you guys for joining. I know you joined a bit late, Star Killer, but thank you for joining anyways. I'm going to end the stream here. I'm kind of pooped. I am very pooped. My hand hurts right now. Fucking carpal tunnel shit. I'm going to end the stream here, guys. Thank you for joining. I'm going to end the stream. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. And I'm going to end the stream.